What it do? What it do? What it do? How are we doing today, ladies and gentlemen? Good morning. Candle Slanger is in the house. What up, Candle Slanger? What's good? What's good? What up, Charla? Play Good Day by same singer. It's a good day. Good day. Yeah, maybe on the outro. On the outro. Remind me. Yo, yo, what's good, everyone? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome in, welcome in. It is a new day, fresh day here. It is Wednesday. We're back for another live stream of the New York session. Let me just pop Zoom open here and send this Zoom link out so we can get the party started.
Recording in progress.
Recording. Let's
Recording
stop the
stopped.
recording, and then let's record on OBS. There we go. Just Win is in the building. Just Win, what's goody? Got funded yesterday. Congratulations, Dev. Congratulations. What up, Arnie? What up, Arnie? What up, YOLO Traders in the house? What's good, YOLO Trader? All right, we got the mod squad in the building. I think I seen TK. Actually, I know I seen TK. Shout out to TK. What's good? What's good? Where's Green? Green in the house. Mod squad is here. Let me just pop the Discord open. Chat, we have a free Discord. You can join our free Discord, by the way. Come pull up. It's an awesome community. Excellent community. I mean, true professionals, man. The conversations in the community have been absolutely second to none. I don't think any... Actually, I shouldn't say that. I'm sure there's a lot of lovely trading communities out there, but ours is lovely as well. And a lot of pros in there, a lot of good conversation. So if you're not in the free Discord, go join the free Discord. And yeah, any questions, put it in the chat. All right, for Zoom link. There we go. Let me lower the music too, and then we will get started here today. Mute. All right, lovely, lovely. All right, chat, we're ready to roll. Yeah, you guys ready to rock and roll? W's in the chat. If you guys can give the stream a like on your way in here today, that would be much appreciated. We had, man, we had like 5,000 people here yesterday. Wow, that was crazy. What up, Joe Stewart? PM Magnifico. Hey, my friend, how you doing? What up, Alex J? What's good, everyone? What is good? What is good? What is good? Who else we got here today? Who else? Anyone who we haven't seen in a little bit? What other names? I got some time to read some names out here today. Crypto Madden's in the building. What up, Crypto Madden? Sergio TTE Bank Santos. Susie Anna. Hey, I like that. Oh, Susanna. I like that name. That reminds me of my wife's name, Anna. Susanna. Yeah, flows good. Yeah. What up, Rafi? What up, Rafi? I think I said Rafi first, right? What's good, Rafi? Hero of the day is the man. He's always here. George VDM is in the building, as always. Purpose. Hey, what up, Purpose? What up, Ricardo? What up, Big Max? I think we call him Wig Wax these days, right? Wig Wax. Mike goes in the building. Shout out to Michael. On the journey, crushing it. Doing what winners do. Oh, Paraz in the building. What up, Paraz? How you feeling today, bro? Hey, what's one thing you're grateful for here today, chat? What are you grateful for? Life is precious, man. Life is precious. There's so much more to life than what the eye sees, man. What are you grateful for today? Let me lower this music a little bit. What up, Jacko? Jacko? How's the baby? Babies are awesome. Babies are incredible. Yeah. Amen. Grateful for breathing. Let's go. For our kids, for family, for a working body. Hallelujah. For health. Amen. Let's go. Yeah, what you guys grateful for? Grateful to see you. Hey, grateful to see you, Wags. Grateful for opportunity. Let's go, TK. TK jumps on every opportunity that's in front of him. That's why I love that dude. Adrian Freedom is grateful for freedom. Amen. Freedom is awesome. Another day to be better. Let's go. 1% better, gang, every day. You don't have to make the huge switch all in a week, right? It's time. It's a journey, right? Every single day you just move one step closer, to get one step better. You know, maybe you take 5 steps forward and then 1 step back, and you just continue your journey. Simple blessings. Amen. Amen. Yeah, that's awesome. Breathing air. Let's get it. Healthy at 56. Hey, Dino's in the building. Amen. Awesome, man. Awesome. A lot of grateful hearts here this morning. Those are the hearts I like to surround myself with. Those are the hearts I like to be around. And I'm happy to be around. I'm grateful to be around all you grateful people, man. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool. What up, Anilo? Raja mentioned us on the live. Shout out to Raja. Beautiful Alpha Harbor. Awesome. Well, we're going to get started here in just 1 sec. Just got to do one more thing here. And we're going to get the party started. What's this? Oh, cool. All right, yeah, let's get the party started here, chat. Let's dive into. I think everyone's good here on Zoom, right? You guys are straight. Yeah. What up, Travis? Good morning, Travis. Good morning, everyone in Zoom. Let me put my Zoom chat over here so I can see. And we're going to pray and we're going to get started. So let's pray real quick. Father in heaven, Lord, we thank you. We thank you for a new day, Lord. I thank you for just grateful hearts here today, Lord. Grateful hearts are the hearts that get to receive, and I'm so grateful. I pray a blessing over all of them, Lord, that they could receive it, whatever it is that they're looking for out of life, Lord. I pray that if it's your will and your plan for their life, that they could receive it, that you would give them clear signs, Lord, that is either here or it is on the way. Father, we thank you for all that you provide. We know that everything that we have here is a gift from you, Lord. We thank you for the gratitude within our hearts, Lord. We thank you for blessing our path. We thank you for never leaving us, never forsaking us, and planning for us to prosper and be in good health, Lord. So we thank you for it. We give you all the glory, Lord. I pray a blessing on everyone here and their families, and we thank you in Jesus' name. Amen. 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 Let's do it. Let's rock and roll, baby. Let's rock and roll. Y'all ready to go? Let's get to it. We got a lot to talk about today. We're gonna begin every day as we begin every day, and that's with prayer. That's with gratitude, and that's with take a look into the fundamental side of things today and a top-down analysis. So let's get to it. Welcome in, everyone. Welcome. It is Wednesday. It is another New York Live session. It is the 7th day of February here, and it's another day. It's another opportunity for us to be disciplined, for us to be professionals in our craft, and continue to go about business here. So if you guys can like the stream on the way in as you settle on down here today, that would be much appreciated. And we're going to get started. So let's go ahead, gang, and let's see what we got going on here in the news for today. So yesterday and Monday and Tuesday we didn't have much happening, right? We didn't have much happening at all. That's most likely why you've seen a lot of just, iffy price action, right? I think a lot of people avoid the news. They don't like the news, but the news really gives the market a heartbeat, right? The news really gives the market some volatility. So we do have some news coming in today at 8:30. You've got this trade balance. It's just a yellow folder here, and then you've got about 4 more sets of USD news here. So you got crude oil inventories at 10:30, and then we've got some other stuff happening. It's going to be after the session, so we'll see if anything turns up here during the session. We have NY open, we're clear. We have NYSE open, we're pretty clean on that as well. And again, the first set of news really comes in here at 10:30 for crude inventories. I don't know how much of an effect this one is going to have. I never really studied this one or kept an eye much on it, but I do know we should have a little bit of volume coming in for 10:30 here today. So let's go ahead and let's just check out the rest of the week real quick too. I believe there's no red folders here for the USD at all. Oh, actually, unemployment claims. Can't forget about unemployment claims, but that's it. That's it for the remainder of the week. Nothing much in the headline. So we do have some news on the pound here on that's Monday next week. So yeah, we're good, man. We're pretty clean here for the remainder of the week. Not much going on. Should be pretty simple price action. So let's go ahead and open the charts up and see what it is that we have, because if gold is really just ranging since I guess yesterday here. So let's do a top-down analysis and let's take a look, see what we got going on. So currently, let me bring my tools up here. Currently, the weekly time frame, right, has, let's just kind of track back a little, right? So weekly time frame has been moving up since this area down here around 1840, right? So as we approached 1840, we came down, came into this 1840 zone, created very, very strong support, and began to move up from there. So we made a high, right? We made a low, price came back up, so we moved up, created this high, then we came down, created a new support, price retested the high, came up and made a new high, and then what did it do? It retested that support level again, right? So that was the previous resistance there. So let me clean it up so it looks fresh here. So now you have this level here in which we retested at that after that break above, right? We also had this exhaustion wick up here, pretty strong rejection there. So what did gold do? Gold came back down, retested that previous zone, came up, create a high, but look at the low. You see how the low now is higher than the previous low, right? And what's one thing we understand about price action? See, this candle had no bottom wick here, no bottom wick on this current candle. And what did this on the previous candle, and what did this current candle do? This current candle came down, broke the low, gave it a pack, grabbed the pack, I should say, and now is moving on up to potentially break this high and fill that wick right there. So again, there's 3 days left. Today's Wednesday, right? So there's 3 days left on this weekly chart. That is what I can anticipate happening here, right? Is this really just eventually, it may not happen today, right? It may not happen tomorrow. It may happen on Friday. We don't know that, right? We don't have that information just yet. So we got to keep an eye on this weekly candle. But from the looks of it, we have we tried to push down and we rejected, right? We also gave this candle a bottom wick here. There's a high right here at 2041, and if that breaks, you'll most likely see a push up towards 2066 here. So let's go ahead and take a look at the daily, see what we're going to do here today. So daily candles are, yeah, so I guess we can, so yesterday we had a closure, right? So yesterday we were very bearish on gold. I think everyone was bearish on gold yesterday, man. You had a close below, you had a wick to fill, pretty clean range coming down, expected the low to break here and fill that wick, but price had other plans, right? So we can pretty much now consider this right here a fake out, right? So this was a fake out on the daily time frame, and gold closed back above, right? It didn't close below, it closed back above this level here. If we look right here, right, all this chop to the left, we closed above that range. Had this bullish candle closed below, then we could have been in store for a potential daily pack runner, a daily celery play or something like that here. But we are pretty bullish here on gold. We do have a brand new support that has been formed on the daily time frame, and you know, right at the same area in which that previous support was formed. Okay, so very strong support level right here. We also did close above this major level of resistance, right? So we also closed above there. Therefore, you've got pretty clean range, I'd say, up until 2050, and then, you know, if we break those highs, even up towards like 2058, 2059 here. So, you know, these are probably going to be the ranges I want to trade on gold right here, right, as we break the highs here and even into this zone up here. In terms of sells now, if we break this low here, there's a high probability that price will actually continue down, right? So you will get this fake out with very little to no volume and all that stuff. Sometimes what you'll see is this happen. You'll see a fake out back into the range, and then what'll happen is you'll see another fake out, right? Another fake out right here, and price close bearish, right, to continue down. So we're gonna be on the lookout for both of those two scenarios here today. But again, we are pretty bullish based off the day. Let's go ahead and take a look at the 4 hour. It looks like the 4 hour has created a support at this point right here. Right, we've got a new support that has been formed on the 4 hour time frame. This candle, this current 4 hour candle, is currently coming down to potentially make a bottom wick. Is not broke the highs just yet. Hasn't broke the highs just yet. Did make a top wick, but had failed to break the highs, and it looks like we're moving down a bit here. So there is a pretty gnarly range, right? You've got this area right here to pretty much cover on the 4-hour time frame, and then you know, above you got 2050, 2055 like we talked about. So let's go ahead, take a look at the hour, see what we got going on the hourly chart here, and see how we can plan our trades out here today. So consolidation, right? Nasty consolidation. Gold is most likely going to do a big breakout here. So you've got resistance and support, right? Fresh resistance, fresh support. You have a candle potentially looking to close below here, right? So if the candle closes below, we re-break this daily this 4-hour low here and potentially come down to break the daily low. So if we do that, let's go ahead and mark off that daily low so we remember where it is. And let's take a look at the 1 hour. So that's your daily low, right? So this becomes your daily low right here. This is the bottom wick. If we break this bottom wick, then there's a very high chance we will continue down into these ranges here today. 2029, even, you know, 2027 down here for price to continue moving. So you got a lot of clean range to the downside. We don't necessarily need much of a range too. We've already got that on the 30-minute time frames and lower time frames here. So let's keep this in mind. There's a support right here at 2032, and then, you know, obviously we got to move this resistance, right? Because we can't take a buy here. You got a resistance, right? Then if we get past that resistance, then there's another resistance, right? And then there's more choppiness right here, and then another major resistance there. So the buys are not too hot here, you know, not too hot on the way up based off of the 30-minute time frame. So it begins to get a bit choppy, right? So let's go take a look on where the cleanest buys are, and let's measure that out. So if we move this resistance up, we have another resistance, and that is about 32 pips away. So not bad, right? So that's going to be what I'm going to look for here today. Is going to be buys above this 2038 zone right here, buys above here, and sells below this 2032 670. Now let's go ahead and measure this whole range here, right? So this is about a 25 30 pip range. So if there is a fake out right here, so we get a fake out here, let's say candle closes just like it looks with no bottom wick, and then price comes back above during NY open, then I will look to have buys to move back up in this range here, right? That's the only way I'm going to trade within this range today, is if we get a fake out somewhere down here, whether it be off the 30-minute or off the 15-minute. So that's what I'm going to be waiting on here on gold. Looks like the 15 closed below there. So you may see a bit of a drive down now. So that's what I'm going to look for here on gold today. Nasty range currently that we're sitting in, but we'll see if we get a nice breakout here. Yeah. Yep, that's going to be it. That is the day. That's the day. So we're going to wait. I'm going to wait on a 30-minute candle here. 15 is actually may fill this wick, so we'll see. We'll see what happens. But yeah, that's going to be the day for me on gold. Pretty simple. Just kind of wait right now. There we go. Perfect. Let me clone it. And we're good. Yeah, and then above 2042, you've got plenty of range up here. So if you can't really snag good buys here, don't even worry about it, man. Don't even worry about it. Right? The best buys are going to be above 38 or above 41 here. Right? Lots of clean traffic coming up. So let's go ahead and take a look at what that looks like. Yeah, so above 38 is breaking the previous candle highs, and if you do that, you should see a nice drive. So yeah, those are the buys I'm looking for here today on gold. We'll see what happens with this 4-hour candle. It looks like we've been moving down. We did create a support, but we're going to see now if we respect that low or not to continue up, or if we're going to actually continue breaking down here today. So that's it. That's the game. Who's my mentor? I have mentors in many different areas of life. What area of life are you looking for me to answer? I have all different mentors. All right, so that's going to be gold. Bit of a bigger no trade range here today. You know, you got a pretty decent range. Let me use the see-through one. Got a pretty decent range here, right? But anything below there is pretty clean. Pretty clean below here, and then anything above is pretty solid as well. So that's kind of the idea here for today, and yeah, we'll stick to it. We'll stick to it. You guys heard the only way I'm taking buys, you know, and even that is a bit iffy. So we'll see, right? Because we're gonna need volume. If we're gonna blast through all this, we're gonna need some volume coming in. So there's not much news. You know, there's something at 8:30, but we'll see if that got what it takes. Cool. Love it, love it. Hey, what up, AB Mike? AB Mike. I DM'd you on Discord, boss. Oh, what up? Say my name. Say my name. Say my name. Morning, Nick. Hope all's well. Hey, what up, FX Snipe? How you doing, my man? What's good? What's good? What up, Swift Media? Swift Media's in the building. All right, let's, while gold is driving here on the 15, shout out to any of you guys in the 15-minute move here. I am going to move on and take a look at a couple other pairs, and we'll see what it is we got going on now. Oh, look, pound yen moving up. Oh, nice. Oh, yeah, cool. Yeah, all right, so let's take a look at GJ. We'll do a pretty fast analysis here on pound yen. So, you know, obviously the weekly's bearish. We did create resistance right at this overall resistance level here. So price was moving down, coming back up. Let's see what that's about. Yeah, that's about, yeah, so you've got this support right here now where you're kind of faking out here, right? You kind of closed below, doji remained below, but this candle is now breaking the highs. So price cannot go down, right? If you guys just look at this, right? Attempt to go down, no bueno. Attempt to go down, no bueno. 3 attempts to go down here, no bueno. Breaks the highs, right? So price is clearly trying to get down, but it can't, right? It can't. So there's a lot of bullish volume here in GJ today, it looks like. You do have a 4-hour candle that did close above. This one still has no bottom wick, which is, I don't really like that too much, but it is overall it is moving up. We are bullish. You got a, wow, 1-hour celery play here. What time is this? 5 a.m. today. So yeah, you got this zone here. Let's go ahead and take a look at the fresh zone. So you got support. You've got resistance right here. And yeah, nice clean range moving on up. Moving on up here for GJ. So let's see, maybe we could participate in some pound yen buys. Just probably gonna wait for a 15-minute closure or 30-minute closure here. Yeah, let's see. Probably gonna wait on a 30-minute closure here in about 2 minutes. So yeah, so you got a nice clean range. I do feel like GJ can move up here, right? We've got a lot of rejections to the downside here on the daily time frame. So that's going to be GJ, and let's take a look at gold real quick. I mean, NASDAQ, and then we're done. Yeah, we're done. I don't know if I'm going to be trading GJ that much, to be honest, chat, moving forward. I'll continue marking it up, but I don't know if I'm going to take too many positions on pound yen anymore. So maybe during high times of volume, that's probably going to be it for me. Yeah, we'll mark it up every day, though, because I know a lot of you guys are still trading pound yen. So let's take a look at Nas. Nas, again, all-time highs on the weekly. Not really much we can do here. Daily, though, did close bearish yesterday. So that's some good signs. Good signs here on Nas, right? We did kind of create this resistance here yesterday. Thank God. And we should continue down now. You know, we do want to see some sort of a move down to create these new ranges. I could see price kind of coming down in here and possibly rejecting, you know, like these candles have. But if we can get a nice push down in this zone, that'd be great here, man. I'd love to see that here today. Let's go ahead and see what the 4-hour looks like. So 4-hour looking okay. Support created, resistance created, and that's kind of the range you're in. So this 4 hour is pretty big. If we can close above or below, that'd be awesome. 1 hour time frame is, you know, just chopping around here. So we need a closure above on Nas, or we need a closure below 17,560. So that'll be what I'm waiting on. 4 hours is going to be a big closure here on Nas, so we'll wait on that most likely, and sit tight here. So that's the day. That is the day. That is all 3 pairs. That is all 3 pairs. Yeah. And then gold, let's see what gold did here. Gold is closing up in 10 seconds. Green's in the house, it looks like. I don't see them, but I see the I see the calls. The green calls. So look, gold is closing below the range here. Now, we have that daily low there. Keep that in mind, right? So if we break that low, there's a high chance that the 4-hour could drive down. The 1-hour also is breaking the daily lows as well. So we or not yet, but it's attempting to re-break its own low. So the idea here is, do we wait on volume, right? Because do we get a fake out during low volume, right? During pre-New York, where, or not pre-New York, but 7:30 to 8 a.m., right? We know volume's coming in at 8. Do we break that low and then move back up? That's the question here, right? During low times of volume. So I'm going to be careful with this sell here. I think I may wait for 8 a.m., which is NY open, to take a position here on gold, because typically the fake out is going to happen right here, right? It'll break the daily low and then begin to pull back up. So it's the daily candle coming down just to make a steeper bottom wick before moving up. So we want to be careful during this, not the highest time of volume. There's also no top wick on the candle yet, so we just want to wait here, right? If you guys if this is your plan to take these sells with no top wick and pre-volume, go right ahead, but this is where we can see the fake out happen, right? Something like this back in the range for NY open. So that's what I'm gonna sit tight and chill on, and if we get it, we get it. If not, then we'll look for, you know, the continue move down for NY open here. Yeah, we'll wait on the hour candle. GJ's leaving. Yeah, GJ's just a little boring, right? A little boring. Moves very slow. Yeah, I will still trade it from time to time, but it's got to be on the money and super high volume. Sells no bueno yet. It might be a fake out. Yep. Be careful for the fake out. Yeah. You guys are noticing the fake outs. Yeah, man. Yep. 50K challenge today. Yeah, we might do the 50K challenge account today or tomorrow. I gotta go take a look at the poll here. We're gonna have Matt coming in tomorrow, and I think Matt is gonna do us one too, chat. So 50K account, definitely tomorrow. We may do one today as well. We'll see how things move along here on the live stream. GJ's good on London. Yeah, GJ isn't the so you know, GJ used to be a very volatile pair even in the New York session. And that's why, you know, GJ is one of the first trades I ever, or first pairs I ever traded. And it just stays along with me, you know, it stays along, but it hasn't been the same as it used to be, especially during the NY session. And I don't get around to trading the London session often anymore. So yeah. Yeah, I do think GJ should move up here. I like the 30-minute celery at NY open. Yeah, if we can get that, then I'll possibly participate, but not gonna do it here. Yeah, the giveaways can happen at any day, honestly, and they don't have to be just like, yo, go comment on the live stream. Like, I just might see someone and I'm like, you know what? You get a 50K account. Yeah, we're gonna do things a little differently. We're gonna have Matt pick a Tomorrow we're gonna have Matt from Top One. He's the owner of Top One. He's gonna be on the live stream for a little bit tomorrow, probably around like 9 a.m. ish, the new 4-hour open, and we're gonna be talking. I can't wait to interview him a little bit and pick his brain and ask him questions, because I always want to talk with people who are in life where I want to be. I always want to talk with people who have gone before me and have achieved success that I'm looking for. So anytime I get around guys like that, I'm the one asking the questions. I'm never the one doing the talking. I'll tell you that, right? I'm the one asking questions, listening, and trying to learn. Just trying to learn how to always become better. Like we talk about 1% better every damn day. And anytime I can get around successful people, I just shut up and listen. Broke the daily lows here with no top wick, so pretty interesting here on gold. Z Gamer's in the house. What up, Z Gamer? Hello, Nick. Hello, Queen B. Queen B. Nice name. Feeling like Oprah. Stephen B's in the house. How did I feel? My firstborn turned 1. Mine turns 1 in 30 minutes. I remember watching you during the night shift here. Yeah, no, it's cool. It puts time into perspective, and that's why I love the kids. One of the reasons I love the kids is because you begin to realize time waits for no man. Time just keeps going on, right? And it puts things into perspective, right? And it's like, damn, that's been a year already, right? Your firstborn is usually a dramatic, memorable experience, right? When you have that child and you it sticks out to you. It's your firstborn, and then when a year goes by, you go, wow, a whole year already went by. A whole year went by. So you got to learn to appreciate time and use your time wisely. Don't use your time to think, ungrateful thoughts, and don't use your time to criticize people, condemn people, think nasty thoughts in your mind and negative thoughts in your mind. Use your time wisely, gang. You gotta really spend time in gratitude. I'm not even joking. Like, I don't know how people do it that don't spend time in gratitude. Well, you know what? They don't do it, right? They don't do it. You can very often tell where someone's at by speaking to them. Like me, I read people very good, like really, really well. So you can tell, and you can always learn where to help, where to help people out too. So just appreciate that time. I think that was the biggest thing for me, is like, wow, a whole year went by already. And, fortunately for me, I had done a lot in that year, and I'm proud, of what I was able to accomplish in that year. But, sometimes it's also like, damn, I really didn't do much in this year. So you got to use your time wisely, my friends. That's the cool part about, these kids, is that you go, wow, my firstborn is going to be 3 now, right? 3 years old on the 18th here of February. So 3 years have gone by, and it's been a blessed couple years. I feel like I lived 12 lifetimes this year. Yeah, man. Yeah. Luckily, my wife and I have been free since the day my daughter was born. We fought hard for this throughout our 20s. We visualized it. We fought for it. We did everything we needed to do. We, not only the work, but the inner work, the inside work is where it really is, where the job is really done. And, getting that mindset right, that mentality right. And, thank God, luckily, we were so blessed to be free parents, no jobs to go to since our kids have been born. So that was our goal before we ever had kids, when we were in our early 20s. And it just goes to show you that when you do use your time wisely, when you do put good inputs in, that you can create an incredible reality. You can create this almost fairy tale like life. And we're just getting started. We're nowhere near where we want to be, but it's such a blessing. Oh man, I can't imagine her being 18 yet. Oh, late. DK was on the yeah, all praises. Yep. Amen. Yeah, we were free before I really caught the success in trading, you know, like 3 years ago, before we got the profits to really begin to turn. But you know, we built a network marketing company together for years, and we went out and served people, and we went out and helped people, and you know, we just had the best interest of others in mind at all times. And I believe that that's why we have been rewarded. My mentor would always tell me, man, if you're going through something in life, Nick, just go help someone, go serve someone, go help them get out of their situation, and you will get out of your situation. And I find that to be true over and over and over and over again. You know, I believe that we're just free because we've served enough people, right? We've helped enough people, and the reward is always there in the spiritual realm. Money is a lagging indicator of success, right? Because money is the final product, right? When you plant a seed, what's the last thing to show up? The fruit, right? The fruit. So money is a very lagging indicator. So I want you guys to really look at yourself in the mirror today and say, I'm not defined by the money in my bank account, right? I'm not defined by my financial situation. I'm defined by the grit, by the champion in my heart, and right, the champion that's within. And that champion can go out and get everything. And if you just apply the laws of success, eventually success will come to you. You don't have to go get it. You don't have to go chase it. You don't have to run after it. You don't have to do, you know, you're putting too much effort in, right? Most people are trying to chase success in 40 hours a week. That's not where success is going to come, right? So don't be defined so much by the money. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, exactly. It looks like it almost looks like you're moving backwards for quite some time, man, because you know, things just like you're doing all the right things and you got nothing to show for it. You know, you got nothing to show for it. You just know that you're doing the right thing, right? Before I was making money in my network marketing business, man, I just knew that I was doing what it takes to make it, you know. And although the financial results weren't there at that moment, I knew that I was already getting paid, man. I was already getting paid, and the money just had to get into the bank account. And like Think and Grow Rich states, you know, when success comes, it comes in such great abundance that one looks around wondering, like, what could have been holding that back? And these are the laws that govern success, you know, and that's why a lot of people quit, because again, money is a lagging indicator. Money is a fruit, right? The fruit is the last thing to show up on the tree. Same thing. Money is the last thing to show up in your journey to success. And a lot of people, they're doing the right things, but they're not seeing the result. So it doesn't, you know, they quit, you know, and that comes down to trading too, right? Yeah, we took 5 losses in a row, right? We did. We took 5 losses in a row, right? But we talk about this all the time, right? That when you roll a die, right? Let's call this a little die, right? You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dots on that die, right? Now, let's make a bet here, right? Let's say that anytime I get to roll, you pay me. So anytime I roll a 2, you pay me. But every time I roll anything other than a 2, I pay you, right? So can I roll a 2 5 times in a row here? I can, right? And we talk about this all the time, but now's the time to face the reality of it, right? So what are you going to do in the face of adversity? What are you going to do when this concept shows up in real life? Are you going to talk the talk, or are you going to walk the walk? Right now, myself as a trader, some of you guys have an opportunity to be disciplined to this concept that we talk about, because we all know that if we roll this die 100 times, right, who will walk away with the most money, you or me? If every time it rolls on a 2, I have to pay you, but every time it rolls on any other number, you have to pay me. Who walks away with most money here? Over 100 rolls. I do, right? I do. But that's not to say that this too can't come out 5 times in a row, 6 times in a row, 7 times in a row. like the late GOAT Mark Douglas says, every system can yield 10 losses in a row. Can you handle it? Can you handle it from a psychological standpoint? Can you handle it in your mentality? Are you mentally tough enough to go through these things? And, you know, as I was thinking yesterday, and I, you know, reached out, was talking to a friend of mine as well, and he said, what a blessing, man. You finally get to experience it, right? This is a guy who makes millions of dollars in trading. He said, good stuff, kid. You're finally in the big leagues now. And, you know, I remember, I think Usman texted me too. He said, you know, Raja had a 12 loss streak, right? And it's not about what happens. It's about how you handle these things, right? It's about your perspective on these things. So we talk about this concept all the time, and now it's time to live it, right? Now it's time to live it. So will you deviate is the question and go find the next shiny system, right? Or will you stay composed over here and keep rolling, baby? Keep rolling the die. Right? What you gonna do? I know what I'm gonna do, because I speak to millionaire traders and they tell me what to do, because they tell me their experience and what they've done, and I follow in their footsteps. Right? So ain't nothing but a chicken wing, gang. Right? Ain't a thing but a chicken wing. Part of the game. If you can't handle the game, then you should leave now. You should get out the game. Remember, you don't want to go through that vicious cycle and get spit out. You know, get out now while you still got money, while you still got sanity. Otherwise, you're done. So that's life. Welcome. That's life. Yep. And that's gonna apply to multiple things in life, not just trading. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. That's right, Z Gamer. Camera's a little blurry. All right, let's see. Oh, yeah. Oh, man, that was one of the best neck cracks. Ooh. Yeah, tighten up. Tighten up is right. You got to tighten up. You know, this is going to happen. This is probably going to happen again in the future. So we got some experience now. You know, as a trader, you know, I said on my Instagram story yesterday is that, you know, as a trader early on, I've lost many trades, right? But once I began to become professional and very disciplined to my craft, I haven't taken much of a losing streak, right? I took 2 losses here, 3 losses here, you know, maybe 2 or 3 times throughout the year, you know, over the last couple of years. But this is the first 5 banger, right? And I know a lot of you guys take 5 losses like every day, but this is big, you know, like this is one that I really haven't had. So it's good. You know, it's an honor to be in the position that a lot of the greats find themselves in from time to time. And I think it's cool, man. It's all about the game, right? It's all about the long term and the long haul for me. What up, Grind Time Mufasa? What's good? What's good? What's good? What's good? Why did you update the monthly and not the lifetime? Yes, we got to update the lifetime. Yeah, Cresty. Yeah, let me know what the lifetime record should be, and I'll put it up there. If not, I'll go in the journal and take a look. But I don't know how many we have to put up there. How many L's we got to put on the board? Storm Player's in the house. What up, Storm Player? What's my Insta? How come every time you guys ask, you ask it like that? What's my Insta? Let me show you guys my Insta. This is my Instagram. Right here. So just like that. That's the only IG that you will see me on. So if you get a message from IG, just know that's most likely not me. Update the record t-shirt. Hey, it's coming. We're working on the merch. We're working on some merch, eh? If you want reels or shorts for your YouTube channel, send you an email, DM on Discord. Yeah, send a DM, send a message to TK on Discord. That guy TK. Full margin, next one. Yeah, no, I don't have the verification. Nah. You know why? Because everyone started getting all goofy with that thing, man. Like, dudes were like, yo, dudes were getting that for like 14 a month with like 6 followers. It was so funny. Working at like the Dollar Tree. Like, I know, look, if you work at the Dollar Tree, I think it's a great job, but I find it funny, man. So during that time, I was like, nah, I'm not gonna get no blue ticket. Everyone can get it. And then all of a sudden, the blue ticket went away. So I guess they, didn't want to keep paying like whatever it was, like $14 a month or something. It's like, dude, you don't need a check mark. You're in construction, bro. My Insta, yeah. These are my reels that we currently have. For those of you guys who don't know me, this is me. This is my IG. This is my family here, and we love freedom. We enjoy freedom, and we love seeing other people's lives impacted and growing in a positive way. But yeah, these are the reels that we have. Some of the trades that we've taken. So yeah, if you can make up some nice reels, and let me know. Send me some content. Send me some mock-ups. And we'll go ahead and take a look. Yeah. But yeah, this is my IG. So you guys can follow me here if you like. Hey, what up, Tommy? Thank you, sir. Hope you have a blessed one, too. What up, Sandman? Sandman in the house. What's good? Blue tick for the Matrix. All right, NY Open is coming up here. 1 hour candle back in the range. So we did get the fake out. So, yeah, just waiting on price now. GJ did move up as anticipated here. And Nas looking pretty good, too. Yeah, we'll see this. If we can get this 1 hour candle to pull back, you may have a nice clean move up here on Nas. And gold is not too good. FX snipe verified, son. I don't accept Bitcoin. I don't have a super duper copy trader that I only promote on this Instagram either. I do not have this, secret weapon trader algo bot that will give you 100% returns on crypto. I do not have a machine that turns 1 Bitcoin into 2 Bitcoin. So if you hear any of that nonsense, just run quickly, and I guess yell at the account. How do you get them in trouble? What do you got to do again? You got to report the account. Yeah, report it. Yeah, this is my only IG here. USD JPY. Yeah, we love USD JPY. I only accept Doge. Yeah, Doge did me right, man. Doge did me right. Yell at the account. You're bad account. Bad account. Yeah. I accept big classic accept. Hey, what up, classic trader? Classic accepts Bitcoin. What up, Dominic? How you doing, man? What's good? What's good? What's good? What's good? Yeah. Take your 100 and turn it into 300. I told you guys about the time I did that, right? Me and my boy, man. This guy said, "Yo, you send us 200, man. We'll send 1,200 back." And we were just like, "Man, this is most likely a scam, bro. But what if it's true?" So we just did it, man, and yeah, we never got our money back. the good old money order. We were like, "Yo, it's worth the risk, honestly. The risk to reward is good." Yeah, I did go ahead and I went ahead and got a new 200K account too yesterday, because I'm not gonna painstakingly, trade the other one and when I could just grab a new one. So I just bought a new one and gonna start fresh. Gonna hook this one up to TradeZella. TradeZella was down too, so I wasn't able to hook the last account up. Just my 400K was hooked up to that. So I'm gonna really track this one here. Yeah, we're gonna track it on TradeZella. Gonna do a couple documents or documentations about it too, probably once a week or so. And kind of like Raja did. You guys remember when Raja tracked like a 50K account growth, I think it was. So we're gonna track all the trades and make a YouTube video on them probably once a week towards the end of the week, and yeah, have some fun with it. Except 10 Bitcoin. If it wasn't for Nick, I'd be losing trades right now. Oh, nice. Yeah, you got to know what to trade and what not to trade, right? Pretty obvious that this would most likely be a fake out here. So we really should have had fake outs in this zone, not sells. If the 1 hour closed bearish below, then yes, I'd probably look for sells at NY open. But look at the 1 hour now, right? 1 hour now is coming back up here. So it gets a little tough, to be honest, to take buys up here too. It's just very choppy. So we just gotta wait here on gold. Like normally we could take a fake out back into the range and take a buy, but it's not much of a range here, right? You've got 11 pips, 17 pips, a whole bunch of chop. It's best to just kind of blow through that 40 pip range there, and then look for buys. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm hoping to see something like this in a little while here, maybe 9:15, 9:30, something like this, so we can get a new a push up, right? So the bulls can kind of gain control, and then like a nice bearish close, and then a bullish closure forming a support and a breakout, right? That right there is what I am going to try and anticipate here today, and that is the trade idea here for gold. So we'll see. The buys get very tough in this range here. Very tough. But if we can get a nice push up, bulls grab a lot of momentum here, and then establish a new support with a breakout, breaking these daily highs, then I think the next candle should have no problemo moving on up like this. And then you got clean range to the left hand side. Very clean range. All right, if we look left, you got this 35 pip zone here. And then you have a whole range up here too. Our best trades are at 9:15. Yeah, our best trades are typically 9:15, 9:30. Yep. Yeah. Yeah, I think most of our trades are taken around 9:30. If we look in the past, you'll see a lot of 9. Yeah, a lot of. Oh wow, no. Yeah, only one 9:30 trade here. Two. Both wins. Yeah, a lot of trades after a 4-hour close. Yeah. Yeah, 9:30, 9:15, 9:30, 9:30, 9:30, basically 9:15, not 9:20. 9:30, 9:15. So yeah, a lot of our trades take place 9:30, 9:30, 9:40, which is 9:30, 9:30, 9:30, 9:30. Yeah, 9:30, 9:30. Yeah, a lot of our trades are taken. We really love the NYSE open on gold. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, the majority of our trades are, as you guys can see, the majority of our trades are taken during very high volume time. Very, very high volume. $10 a.m., 10:30. Yeah, you see how there's not many before like 8 a.m., like 7:30 here and there. And then look, 7 pips, 7 pips. What's this? 7:30. 26 pips overall, but that tells me that trade was moving pretty slow, so there's not that much volume in at that time. So that's why I tend to wait for NY open. Yeah, all these are pretty much after after 8:30 here. Yeah, not one trade in what was this, August? Not one trade before NY open here in August. Nope, nothing. So yeah, most of our trades are taken during those high volume times. Yeah, let's go ahead and change the whatever here, update record. So monthly's good. Yearly, I think 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I think yearly needs to be 7 and 9 now. Yeah, let me go to. And then let's go lifetime. Yeah, I have to do the math on the lifetime. What are we at lifetime? Zoom link is out, right? Yeah, people are here. Yeah, we're good. Yeah, Nas closed pretty good here. Strong 1 hour close. 4 hours really moving up off that support now. Goldie, Goldie, 4 hour. 4 hour coming back up here. So we did snipe the wick, right? Pushed down and made a little bit of a steeper bottom wick there right here. And then back up we go. So 4 hour may begin to make its way up here. How can we get the temple? Just hit exclamation point journal. Yo, what up, Michael Cook? Good morning, bro. It's 8L and not 9. I'll have to go back. I'll look at the stream like 2 days ago and I'll see. $60 press ups. Let's go, Wags. Let's go. Yeah, I'm slacking today. I'm only like, I'm 60 deep. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 3 sets I've done. Oh, that's right. Yeah, we did. Okay. Yeah, I think you are right, Purpose. I think you are right. So 7 and 8, I think it is. Yeah, I'll go back. I'll take a look after the stream. Yeah, yesterday I left the charts and did not come back. Did not come back. Just dipped off. You got to know when to get off. That's true. Yeah, that's true. We'll get some more. We'll get some more. Damn, bro. Sounds like these dogs are outside fighting. Sounds like there's a gang fight going on out there. Price action on gold yesterday was very weird. Yeah. Yeah, I think a lot of people were looking for gold shorts yesterday and got smoked. We got smoked, let's be honest. We got smoked on the shorts. But look, both ideas were what we planned, right? In the morning, right? Like you look at this trade right here on a bearish day. Right? On a bearish day here. All right, forget all this has happened. We're looking for shorts on gold to continue moving down to fill the daily wick, right? This was our first position here. This is what we call, let's not call it the onion play. Let's call it the money play. Let's switch the name. Anytime we get a resistance formed on in an area that we're looking for, we're going to call it the money play, not the onion play anymore. But take a look at this, especially after a deep grab like this. Right, you had a nice exhaustion wick to the downside, and you had NY open, right? 8:30. We took that trade yesterday. We took that trade at 8:30, expecting that price would break these lows and continue down, right? To continue down on the bearish day, but didn't happen, right? We rolled a 2. 2 came out. Oh wait. Oh yeah, this was our second position. Our first position was the same exact move. So this was our second position. And this was our first position right here. Yeah, you're right, you're right. You want to know what's so cool about that? They're both the same position, right? They're both the same move. They're both a move that we've taken hundreds of times, right? And taken wins on. So that's the coolest part, right? Is that you can always almost confuse the move. It's because it's the exact same move, right? You have the exhaustion wick to the top side, things that we look for, right? You have a resistance form, bearish day. You would expect the next candle to drive down, right? To begin to drive down at 8:30, but didn't happen, right? Didn't happen. So continue to look pretty good. Continue to stay below this range here. And got a new resistance, right? At what time? At 9:30, right? So another high volume time with a high probability winning setup, right? So we took our shot, and this one we did tap into resistance. I think we could have, if we wanted to, we could have closed here, break even yesterday, probably. But I didn't want to do that, right? I wanted to trust my plan, and my plan was that the daily could potentially move down, break its own low, and fill the wick. So, you know, this candle did do exactly this at one point, but then moved up, you know, see it here, and then began to just fly out of nowhere. Yeah. So it happens. It happens. Yep. If these were both winning trades, you wouldn't have seen any quaking in the chat yesterday. You know, you just would have seen, yeah, hoorah, you're awesome, yeah, trading is great. We do this, man. We're traders. We're traders trade. But because they ended up in the result of a loss, certain people were in this box that we explained yesterday, and certain people were in this box, right? The amateur chases the win, right? So when he wins, he's excited. When he loses, he's upset. The pro just stays right here, right here. Calm, cool, and composed, baby. Just following the plan, following the system. So shout out to you guys that were in the pro box yesterday, and shout out to you guys that were in the amateur box yesterday. You've got to you've defined where you're at, right? So if you want to make a change, then you know what to do. Just don't go from the pro box to the Quaker box. Only Quakers can go to the other side. The pros, you stay where the pros stay. Trust me. Just give it time, you'll be there. But the other guys, man. Mods were like, mods were looking like Jet Li yesterday. Dudes are putting in overtime. We're traders. Of course we quake. We're traders. Yeah, there you go. I'm responsible for my own trade. Amen. Amen. All right, so 1 hour did reject pretty heavy here. You are still below this nasty range, right? You got a nasty range here. You're potentially looking at a 30-minute fake out right here for price to continue up. Now, if we do continue up, we can pop into this zone here, which is about, I think it's like 12 pips, 10 pips. So it's not enough room for me, right? It's not enough room for me to put money on the line to get these 10 pips. When it's very, very rough seas over here, right? You're sailing into rough seas at that point. So if we can get past all the rough seas and talk about that move that we called out earlier, that trade idea, then that's going to be perfect. That's going to be perfecto. How do we get your spreadsheet? Just hit exclamation point journal. They play, yeah, right, Dominic. Take the trade. I'll be like, what's his name? What's that one dude's name? Oh my, how do I not? Daniel Savage. Boom, take the trade. That dude was, yeah. That dude be sticking the gun in the camera. Take it. Oh man. With this loss streak, I begin to lose fear of losing now. Yeah, because you're not losing. You're not a loser when you lose trades. The plan lost the trade, right? When you guys see me take a nice win, what do I usually do? You guys see me go, woohoo, yeah, all right. No, right? You guys see me go, hey, that was a great trade. We planned it, perfect, on to the next. So that's why you never see me cry like this, right? When I take a loss, because I say, okay, good trade. Probability wasn't in our favor this time. Last time it was. This time it isn't. On to the next trade. I keep rolling the die. And I already understand that if I roll the die 100 times and I only lose money when I roll a 2, I could roll a 2, 4, 5, 6, 7 times in a row. It happens. It's part of the game. Remember, best loser wins. What happened? You posted about the book, but you're not living it. Right? It's easy to post about it. It's easy to take a picture of this page and say, best loser wins. And then you take 5 losses and you sound like this. Right? Easy to talk the talk, harder to walk the walk. So hopefully it helps you to walk the walk, friends. I do celebrate a little bit. Yeah. Ooh, yeah. Nice trade. Good trade, guys. Good trade. I'm more so happy for you guys, you know. Stephen B. You should have told her, honey, this game, it's a tough game we play. It's a tough game. Got these streamers quacking. Yeah, I want to trade with that heart rate monitor. How are you, bro? I am fantastic, my friend. How are you? It's rough out here in these trading, in these markets. Lost. Oh yeah, there you go. Nicely done. Been trading 1 year, lost a good amount of money, but gained a lot of knowledge. Yep, and skill. That's what you do. That's the life, gang. That's the entrepreneurial way. Is you trade money for knowledge and skill. Right? You trade money for knowledge, experience, and skill. That's how it goes. So welcome to the land of the living, my friend, where you guys are no longer just depending on someone to give you a paycheck for sitting your rear in a seat and answering phone calls all day, right? You're in the land of the living now. You get to chase your own dream, your own goal. You get to put your own neck on the line. And I wouldn't want it any other way, man. Wouldn't want it any other way. You don't have nobody telling you what to do. That's why I'm an entrepreneur. Sometimes, you know, when you guys say, update the record, I don't do it out of spite for a few minutes because I hate when people do that. And that's why I'm an entrepreneur, because I don't like when a boss comes along and says, do this or do that or you must do it. Like, no, bro. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. I'll do it when I want. I saw you in Raja's story? Oh, no way. Raja's story. Let's take a look. Oh, my boy rocking that heat. That was a gamble trade. Nah, I don't know what you guys are talking about. I don't see us. How you doing? Don't nobody talk to me till I have my morning coffee. How are you, brother? I'm doing incredible, smart Sach. How are you doing, my friend? I want to up. Yeah, we're gonna get those. We're gonna get those T-shirts. I don't know if we're gonna get. I think we should maybe get hats because hats it limits like all the fitting and all that stuff. Everyone's different sizes. Should get like update the record on the side of the hat with like a TTE logo in the front. I think that would be pretty cool. Life is bullish, really small on the other side or on the back. I think that sounds dope. So we're beginning to move up here for NY Open. We shouldn't have a problem tapping this like 10 pip area here, but just not going to take a buy here. Just wait on it. Do we have that one? Oh wow, I didn't put that one on here. I'll put it on here. This is my favorite one.
Would you look at that?
Yeah, well.
Would you look at that?
Yeah, there's a few more blemishes on the car.
Oh my gosh, just look at it.
Just look at it. The hat, yeah, we might go with the hat. With the hat to match. Free the slaves, break the matrix. Yeah, look, it's not easy. It's not easy cracking the code, gang. It's not easy. It takes a lot of grit, a lot of perseverance. You're gonna run into temporary defeat. You know, whether you call it cracking the matrix, whether you call it becoming financially free, becoming, you know, whatever, it's tough. You know, it takes time, especially it takes a lot of reprogramming. You know, that's the biggest thing is, you know, it takes a lot of reprogramming because you've been brought up a certain way, right? You were born into this life, and you know, these two people that we call our parents took us home, and whatever they learned growing up is typically what we learned, and whatever they decided to put on the TV for us, we began to be programmed by that, and you know, whatever books they were reading or whatever things that how they were handling life, that's how we were programmed. So in order to break free of that, it's gonna be hard. It's gonna be tough. You know, it's a lot of breaking a lot of mental barriers down, and you know, think of your mind as like a snow, like a hill of snow, right? That has been, sleds have gone down over and over and over, so it forms these grooves, right? So what you want to do is you want to let a new snow fall, and then you want to figure out new grooves, right? And take those new ways, and it's hard, right? It's tough to get down. Try walking through a field of weeds, right? But if you continue to walk and walk and walk through it, it begins to form a path. And that's the same thing with our thoughts when it comes to our mind, is that we have to have new thoughts, right? Maybe you always thought you weren't good enough. It's time to switch the thought to I am good enough, right? How about we begin there, right? You just got to start somewhere. But that's the real battle is, and again, money, right, is a very lagging indicator of success. So you could be on the right path, you could be doing all the right things, and things are building for you, but you just don't see the money yet, right? When you're planting the tree, you can water it and scratch the ground and give it sunlight and watch it grow, but you can't eat until that fruit comes out, right? And once that fruit comes out, then you can eat. But again, the fruit is the last thing that the tree bears. Play the crying sound again. What do I think about Don's trade? I think Don's on his own mission. I think he's on his own journey. I respect Don to the highest levels. I love the way I admire Don, man. You know, it's not easy to do what we do. It really isn't. He's been doing it for quite some time now, and you know, he handles himself well, and I'm proud of him. I'm proud to learn from him too, because I admire his composure and you know, and the fact that he's here helping people, and his results are public. So of course everyone sees it, but there's so many people who lose like that aren't public. And I tip my hat to him, because he's been just outstanding year after year after year. escape the matrix. Mr. Anderson, yo, you're right. Yo, we do have to do that. I should get Neo. I should get a couple. I should get a couple parts from the Matrix. I think I want to get a couple Conor McGregor sounds, maybe an Andrew Tate one, and then we always like the Trump stuff. So
we like to troll. We do a little trolling. It's called we do a little trolling.
Trump's got some funny stuff. Yeah, I did learn from Raja. I learned a lot from Raja too. Yep. That's why we have very similar strategies. He's a bit more aggressive than I am, I would say. He's also got about 6 more years in the game than I do. So, yeah, he's awesome. He's incredible. Right, Joe Fargo? How much did he lose? I have no idea. I have no clue. Branded TTE hats? Yeah, let's go. Greetings from Turkey. What's goody? What's good? What's happening? 50 G's, baby. Yo, we gotta get some Conor McGregor, man. We have to. Yo, that's right. We need branded blue light glasses. We get everyone biohacking the eyes. Heart monitor. Oh, Johnny Boy's in the house. There he is. Let's get him on up. Gotta Trade's in the building. What up, Gotta Trade? How you doing, man? Nice to see you as always. Good morning, young man.
Hey, good morning, brother. How you doing?
Fantastic. How are you?
Oh, man. Feeling great, bro. Feeling great. Ready to win. Ready to win the day.
Yeah, man.
Just win, bro.
Ready
Focus on stacking my wins, bro. Let's go.
Yeah, winning the day too. A lot of you guys are very obsessed with trading. I feel like there is an obsession point, but you got to understand that this is just one part of your life, right? You're someone's son. You're your own human being, right? You're maybe someone's father or, brother. Like, you guys are much more than just a trader. You feel me? So yesterday I won the day. I won in almost every area of my life yesterday, right? So that's another reason why I don't let losing trades bum me down, because there's no reason for it, right? There's so much more to life.
Exactly.
What up, Landon?
Compound effect. Landon.
Oh, man, let's go. Landon's in the house.
What up, Landon? How you doing, bro? Good to see you.
Let's get some pizza, Landon. Let's get some pizza.
Let's get it.
What are we doing?
Pull-ups on the tree.
Wait, what pie did Landon get again? He got something pretty good.
Yeah, honestly, I forget.
Can't remember.
It looked good. I'll tell you that.
Landon in the building.
My man, Landon. Oh, yeah, bro. Compound effect talks about that. Small, smart choices plus consistency plus time equals radical difference. Right? Give it some time. Y'all expect to get rich in a month. Give it some time, right? Develop the skills, stack the wins, and over time you're gonna see the difference like crazy. And the separation is gonna be you'll be able to see that clear. So just
Yeah.
focus on the process, right? The process is the prize, not the destination. So focus on in the process becoming a beast, right? Because that's how you become a beast in the process.
Beast gotta eat, baby. Gotta eat.
Exactly, bro.
How'd you do today? Did you go to the gym? You worked out or?
Yeah, I'm hitting the gym
Push-ups?
after the session.
Oh, nice. Brother Joe, where's Brother Joe at?
Brother Joe, he's in the chat.
Joe, how was the gym, buddy?
I was gonna hit the gym in the morning, but then I was like, let me get a couple of things done, and then I'll hit the gym later.
Yeah. So we have a new system now too. So this is gonna be our T-Rex dinosaur pattern that we're looking at currently, chat. So we got rid of the old strategy, and now we're rocking this new strategy, and it's setting up perfectly to blow some fire. Yeah, this looks really good. I can see the T-Rex forming up. We just need a second tooth here, and then one more tooth, and then we should be good to go. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, whoever drew that up in the Discord was too funny, man. I
T-Rex,
forgot who did that. John, what do you mean? You don't know about the T-Rex strategy, bro?
Nah, bro.
100% win rate, G.
Damn, bro. Put me on. Screw my strategy now.
What do you got? 60, 70%? Lame. 100%. Hit me up off stream. We'll talk more about it.
All right, bro.
Just past phase 2. Let's go. Big W, SG80. Congratulations. I'm claiming it. You're getting a payout this month.
Yes, sir, bro.
Did
Hey,
legs
keep
today?
doing the things that you've been doing.
Let's
A
go,
lot of
Nilo.
people, they get success. Sorry. A lot of people, they get success, and then they just stop doing what got them there, right? Keep doing what you're doing, my friend, and things will come naturally to you.
Oh, looks like everyone is almost on board with the meta update here. I'm seeing Traders Connect, I think, is back in action. Trade Zella seems to be back in action, so lovely.
Let's go.
Lovely. Yeah, price
Good
move up,
news.
may move up here now, chat. So remember, what I want to see here on gold is I really don't want to take buys in this area. So if we can kind of come up here, right, and then begin to form a new, like, let's say this is how the 4-hour candle closes, and then we get, you know, something like this, right, a bearish candle here and another bullish candle to close above, right? We want to see a new support form, closure above, and then that's going to be where I'm going to look to go long here on gold. You've got a lot of clean traffic to the left hand side, and that's something that we may be able to see. So that's the trade idea for me when it comes to taking buys here on gold today. Otherwise, I'm just gonna, you know, stay out of this, right? Coming off a rough last couple days, not gonna touch anything in here, man. You gotta know where you're at as a trader, right? Today I'm looking for the best of the best, the cream of the crop here today.
Yes, sir.
Did legs today. You think I read that one? Gym was amazing. Good stuff, Joe Stu. Joe Stu in the chat. Gonna be in Florida on the 12th to the 20th. Yo, let's do it, Landon. Maybe some more pizza. Nah. We're doing ribeyes this time, G. We have to do ribeyes this time. Damn,
Yeah,
TK's
can't do
gonna
pizza
miss
twice,
out.
man. Come on.
She. He looks like Raja. He looks like Raja. He talks like Raja. He trades like Raja.
Trades like Raja.
Holy. He's Raja Jr. Yeah, people used to call me Raja Jr.
That's a good compliment, bro.
Imagine they used to make fun of me for sticking to one trading plan. That's the other thing. You battle your friends, your trader buddies. Bro, all you do is talk about Raja. Just because Raja
Every podcast.
doing that,
Sorry.
you're gonna do it? Like, yeah, bro. I am. Yep, exactly.
One thing I caught from every podcast I listened to of a professional trader, everything, they all say the same thing. They have a system and they only focus on that system. Excuse me. So, shouldn't we do the same? Right? Let's be the professional trader, right? If the professional trader has a system and locks in one system and only follows that one system, if we want to be professional, we need to do the same, right?
Yep. And I did see, yeah, Raja was streaming today. I think he took a sell, right, that I wasn't gonna take. So guess what? Guess what I did? I didn't take the sell. And you know what? The other day he took a buy too that I wouldn't have taken. I was watching the stream for a few minutes, seen him take a buy. It worked out well for him. Good job. But guess what? Guess whose plan it didn't line up with? Mine. Right? So guess who didn't take that trade? Me. But it's Raja Banks. Okay, but I have my own experience. I have my own plan. Right? So that's the same thing with you guys. If you guys see me take a position that you're like, I don't know about this one Nick's taking, you just don't take it. Imagine that.
1000%, bro.
Imagine that. Roger that. Roger that. Yes, any advice when you are jealous on your friends having fun? Well, having fun. Well, let's see what that really means. While you're stuck in a bedroom work on your trading? Yeah, you got to understand. Here's the way I always looked at it. When their fun stops, yours begins. They're going to party. They're going to have fun for a couple years. But you know what? Then they're going to run into financial burdens. They're going to run into financial challenges. They're going to run into capped incomes. They're going to run into their job that they're never going to be able to escape. And guess where you're going? You're going to have some fun because you took those years and you learned about money. You learned about mindset. You learned about a high income producing skill. So as their party begins to end, yours begins to start. And your party lasts decades. And their party lasts until college is over. And I found that to be true in my own life. So just understand you work while they party, and then eventually you'll party while they work, my friend. My mentor told me, man, at one point, Nick, you're going to feel bad about how much money you make and how little you do compared to other people. And he was right. He was right.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. Look at the
I suggest
Chinese.
whoever commented that, I suggest you read the compound effect, brother. That long-term vision, bro, is everything.
Go
and
deeper.
You'll see the separation. You're going to see the separation in a year or two. Trust me.
Yep. Go deeper. Go deeper in your work, in your work ethic, in your study, in your research. I promise you, right now they look like they're having fun, they're moving forward, but eventually, if you get things dialed in, you'll blow by them like they're standing still. Yep. The Chinese
and you
bamboo
only think
tree.
it's
That's so true.
You only think it's fun because that's what society makes you programmed to think. But it really isn't. If you really deeply understand where they're heading, compared to where you'll head with different habits, trust me, you'll reprogram yourself of what fun actually is.
Yeah, fun to me is freedom. Fun to me is having a wad of cash in my pocket at all times, so that when we go to dinner, I'm the guy paying. So that, and it's not even a question. So that when I see someone in need, I can give them, right? I can give to them. That's what fun is to me. Fun is the right thing at the right time with the right people. Other than that, it's time to put our heads down and work. It's time to put our heads down and grind on these high income producing skills. And trust me, you'll live a great life.
Yes, sir.
You'll live a great life.
Tunnel
Damn,
vision.
son. Did 500 push-ups, Landon? Okay. Landon's going to come back looking like Arnold Schwarzenegger, dude.
Good stuff, Landon.
Yo, you didn't look like that 3 months ago, bro. Yeah, the Chinese bamboo tree is amazing too because the seed takes very long to grow, or that's what you think, because that's what the eye sees, right? Because the tree knows that if it doesn't grow down, right, that when it grows up, it's gonna fall down. So the seed knows exactly what it's doing, right? That little spirit within you, that you that's inside of you, you know, when you look in the mirror and you're looking at this meat suit, but you're staring at the real you that you cannot see. It's the spirit within you, right? That spirit within you already knows what to do. So you don't have to force it. You just have to lay the ground, right? Work the ground, right? Do the disciplines day in and day out. I don't even want to call them disciplines. Self-regulation. How about that, right? Discipline is attached with negative type of vibe, right? Discipline. I'm gonna discipline you, or we gotta be disciplined, right? It's more of like self-regulating. Like, can you regulate yourself, right? Can you control yourself? Can you do the things that you know need to be done, right? Success, it doesn't care about your excuse, right? It doesn't. All it cares about is, did you work the ground that needed to be worked in order for the plant to grow? And the Chinese bamboo, man, I think it grows like what, 3 feet a day when it finally pops up. It doesn't pop up for like 7 years. Not even a little, hey, I'm here. Nothing. Nothing. Just one day starts growing, begins to grow 3 feet a day, and that's the way success is. You know, that's the way it goes. And that's the way you go, right? That's the way you are. You all have that little seed in you that already knows what to do, right? The seed is smarter than us.
And the farmer, he doesn't overthink, right, on the work he's doing. He leaves it up to God to grow it, right? He's not worried about it growing. He's focused on it, on his work, the work that he has to do to make it grow. So same thing with you. Leave it up to God. Just focus on the work you do, and it will grow.
Facts.
It's not your job to worry about how it grows, right? It's your job to focus on the work.
So this is truth, right? This isn't just like opinion stuff. This is actual truth.
Yeah.
Seek truth.
Universal laws, bro. Just like the law of gravity. These are universal laws we're talking about right now.
Yep. Yeah. Right? Talks about in Corinthians, right? I planted, Apollo waters, but God does the growing. Right? So then, you know, it's neither you that waters or you that plants, but it's God that makes it grow. Yeah, my mentor would say all the time, live life now like most people won't, so you could live life later like most people can't. And those things just always resonated with me, man. I was always willing to believe in that concept, and it's paid off. It really has. Live now like most people won't, so you can live later like most people can't.
Yes, sir. It's fire, bro.
I'm up 15 pounds since I seen you guys last. Holy, bro, would you eat a whole cow? Dang. Let's go, Landon. Big W, bro.
You get it.
Let's get it, man. Putting on that
Great
muscle.
Stuff. Great stuff.
Planning to enter a trade? Yes, we are planning to enter a trade. That trade idea has already been planned out, and now we're just waiting on it. If you go back to 8/20/8/32, we planned the trade. So we have the idea, and now we're just waiting for it to unfold.
We're displaying patience into our craft, to our skill right now. That's what we're doing.
Yeah.
Morning, Sergio. What's up, brother?
Sergio. Yeah, 1 hour trying to make a move here. 1 hour trying to actually do something different than the rest of these 1 hour candles. If you guys have noticed, it's really not the best. Like, look at this. So you got, right, the last big really strong candle was right here, right? And then you just had a lot of candles with no decision, right? Look at this. This has been happening for hours upon hours upon hours here, right? All these candles kind of just consolidating. So we want to see if one candle can burst through all this, right, and make a decision. And we used to talk about it, but it's like, when you're in this consolidation range, it's like being in a car with another couple. You guys ever been like the third wheel and like you're in a car and you know, the couple's in the front and they're arguing and they're bickering back and forth about where to eat. Like, where do you want to eat? Like, I want Chili's, and I want Outback, and I want to go to Texas Roadhouse. I want McDonald's. Texas Roadhouse is too expensive right now. It's Thursday. I get paid tomorrow. No. Let's just settle for Wednesday. And you're like, yo, dude, honestly, like, park the car. Let me step out. Sit on the sidewalk for a moment. You guys figure this out. I don't want to be a part of this, right? I don't want to be a part of that conversation. So this is what we're doing right now, right? We don't want to be a part of this conversation within here. This is the markets bickering, going back and forth on where they want to go, right? What direction they want to move in. So once that couple says, all right, they roll down the window. They say, okay, we're going here. You're like, I'm cool. Hey, I'm totally cool wherever we want to go, but let's just make the decision, right? And then once Price makes decision on where to go, that's when I step back in the car. And then that's when we go, time to eat.
Right? Sir.
I don't want to be dealing with the bickering and the back and forth. That's between y'all, you know?
Just let me know when it's time to eat.
Just let me know when it's TTE time. TTT. Let's just do this. Yeah, there we go. How it feels after 5 losses in a way. It feels good. It feels great. Again, it's an experience that I get to go through here that all the greats have gone through. So again, ever since I've really become disciplined and really professional in the craft, I haven't taken many losses in a row. Maybe 2, maybe 3 here and there. I think 2 or 3 times last year we took like a three trade lose. You know, we had like a 3 trade losing streak. So really my first time going 5, you know, I mean, when I was a rookie trader, when I didn't have a plan, I took 5 losses in a row all the time, right? But we're talking about once I really got grounded and disciplined and, you know, straightforward, right, into my system. And this is a time that we talk about. This is a time that all the great long-term profitable traders that I have studied talk about, that your system, right, the famous words from Mark Douglas, is that no matter what your system is, it can take 5 losses. It can take 10 losses in a row. Can you handle it? Can you handle it mentally? Can you handle it financially? And I can. Why? Because I am a long-term profitable trader, right? And this is what we do. So it's an honor to run into some of these things that I've just heard about, right? As I told you guys earlier, my, you know, I spoke to a friend of mine yesterday who's a very successful trader. He said, good stuff, kid. Good stuff. Way to take it on the chin. Way to have it. He's seen my attitude. I was positive, just like you guys. Trust me, I'm not like this to you guys. Then I go to my mentor and go, oh my God, bro. No, he's seen I was still composed, still positive, you know, handling it properly. He said, good work, kid. Good work. You're gonna crush this thing. You're gonna do great. So that's all we could do, man. Keep moving. Yep, it's an honor. It's an honor to take these losses in a row and just run into that experience as a trader, right? Nothing is good or bad. It's all an experience. And you know, to be in a position that a lot of the guys that I admire talk about and teach about, I'm cool with it. Yeah, straight. Oh, late. We stay strong. Yes, Sergio. Giveaway? Question mark? Yeah, we're going to do a giveaway. We'll see. We might do it today. It might be tomorrow. We'll see. Yeah, I think we'll do it today, but maybe tomorrow. Who's your mentor? I have a few different mentors, my friend. I have mentors in all areas in a few different areas of my life. So if you're talking about, are you talking about trading or what? All experiences lead to, yes, expand self-awareness. That's right. That's right. Gotta trade. Gotta trade knows. Gotta trade knows. Gotta trade's been on the floor with some goats worked on a trading floor, which is incredible. And, you know, those are the guys I like to listen to, guys that actually have skin in the game experience.
What's up? Got to trade?
Gotta trade.
Oh, man.
Gotta trade, don't gotta trade.
You don't.
Where can I learn from scratch? Babypips.com. Babypips.com. Go read all the way through until Japanese candlesticks, and then come back to the live stream. And then I think you'll be good. Time to stay in TTS. Time to suspense. What's your take when your parents always keep saying I am wasting time on trading? I say go to your parents and say, you're right. That's all. Yeah, I'm going to stop trading. And then just keep trading and just don't say anything moving forward.
Simple.
Just tell them, yes. Yeah. You're right. You know what? No more trading.
Make it as easy as possible for yourself.
Yeah. You want to make it so hard to lose that it becomes easy to win. And a lot of times that has to do with really not telling people what you're doing and just working, just doing it. Time to How do you balance study time with trading time? Well, trading time is only a couple hours. You know, we live stream, so we're here a little bit long. Like if I wasn't live streaming, then I would probably be on the desk for like 2 hours. But you know, and then back and forth a little bit. But you know, there's a time to learn, there's a time to earn, and you know, I think you do need to be aggressive. Honestly, I was spending like 12-hour days learning in the beginning when I first started trading, but you know, now I just review my trades. I go through stuff. I look during live market conditions and just kind of try and pick things up, you know, that maybe I missed before and see if I can learn anything new, see if I can, you know, tweak my strategy of just a smidge bit quarter by quarter as price action continues to, you know, kind of. I was talking to someone like this yesterday. Like there's seasons, right? There's quarters, right, where you want to be aware of, right? So just like we have seasons in weather where we have summer, fall, winter, spring, same thing goes for trading. You have these seasons, right? You have these different quarters. You know, there could be war one quarter, there could be elections the next quarter, there could be nothing going on. So you have to learn to adapt, right? And you don't want to adapt too early, and you also don't want to adapt too late. And what I mean by that is, let's say it's winter time, right? You don't want to adapt too late. You don't want to start wearing your winter coat, you know, too late, because you'll most likely spend a lot of time being very cold, right? Or you don't want to adjust too late and start throwing your winter clothes on as spring's coming around. So it's very fine tuning, you know, day in, day out, week in, week out, and just kind of spotting the way the market is moving, the waves that are happening. And you got to just be in flow, you know, and really just be open to riding the wave, because that's all it is, right? This is a big body of water. Try and control a big body of water. See what happens, right? You want to ride that wave. You want to learn to adjust and flow with it. That's why I love market fluidity, because it's like you want to be fluid in the market. Excuse me. Thanks, Michael Cook. It's my honor, man. It really is. It really is. I love pouring into people. So I'm a school student, under 18. Is it possible for me? Anything is possible. Anything.
First step to believe it's possible.
Yeah. Someone said Nas bleeder. Later. Where?
Or like juice.
GJ back down though.
Nah, Panyan was pretty nice buys there. At like 7:30.
Yeah, a little earlier. Yep.
Yeah. Oh, I wanted to say something to the traders out here that are struggling with over trading, and who are blowing their accounts because of over trading. I just want to say, make a rule for yourself in your system where it's like, all right, 2 trades max, 2 trades max for you, because right now you're struggling with over trading. That's making you blow account after account after account, right? So 2 trades, call it a day. Also, you don't want to quit you don't want to stay on the charts all day, right? Like if you're trying to quit your 9 to 5 right now, why would you trade like it's a 9 to 5, right? What's the point of quitting your 9 to 5 then, right? Because you're kind of working a 9 to 5 still. So come to a session where there's going to be volume. Come to the session, lock it in, and just trade that session. You don't need to be on the charts all day. Trading is hard already, right? You don't want to make it way more hard by just trading the whole day, right? So if you're trading the whole day, I highly suggest that you don't. I highly suggest that you stick to one session or a session and just lock it in that session. Me personally, I'm on here at 6:30 and I'm out by 10:30, right? Win or loss, no trade, I'm on to the next day. I'm not going to stick around all day because I don't want to make things more complicated for myself. You know, I want my P&L to be clean as it can, right? So if you're struggling with those things, maybe try some of those concepts and it can work out for you. Because trading all day, what do you want to trade like it's a 9 to 5? Like I thought you were trying to get out of your 9 to 5, right? So come to the session and lock it in. If nothing happens, on to the next day.
It's hard to realize less is more. Yep. That's again, that comes back to our programming. You know, we need to work more hours to make more money. We need to make more sales to make more money, right? And then you come into trading, you go, I got to make more trades to make more money. But we slowly and quickly begin to realize that that's not how trading works. You know, trading goes against everything. It goes against human nature, right? So there's a lot of adjustments that need to be made in the mentality and the mindset. You know, that's why you see a lot of, you know, guys that build other businesses come in here and they try and trade and they're horrible because they think that what it took to build those businesses, the amount of effort is what it's going to take to actually succeed here. And here, less becomes more.
Yep. Less is more. Yes, sir. Quality over quantity. Yeah, I only say that because I feel like I know there's a trader right now who's struggling with over risking, and I just want to help. So
Yeah. Staying on my PC. Yeah, you know, sometimes, and look, Bible says know thyself, right? You got to know where you're at. So if you're in that problem, like what happens when someone's an alcoholic, right, or a drug addict, right? They have to first come to agreements that they are, right, that they could admit that they are. So if you're an over trader, you got to understand, you know what, let me keep it real with myself here, because I'm only hurting myself. I'm an over trader. That's what I am. Hi, my name is Jim Brown and I'm an over trader, right? And you gotta say it, and you gotta understand, hey, there's nothing wrong, right? You gotta dump the ego, right? Kill the ego a bit and write something on your computer and say, you know what? If my boss can tell me to work 9 to 5, then I can be my own boss and say I'll only trade, 7 to 9, whatever it is. And write that down. And you may need that in the beginning. And look, there's nothing wrong with it. I was an over trader. I used to write down 1 to 2 trades a day. I signed my name on it, right? And I would look at it and stare at it daily. And I would begin to mess up. But then I look back at the sheet. Oh, yeah, I forgot. Damn. Yeah, that's right. I'm working on 1 to 2 trades a day. I took 6 today. What the heck? Right? And then, you slowly begin to create that groove in the mind, right? And that groove in the mentality, and that thought begins to come up, be presented to you more and more, where now next time you go, dude, I'm about to take a 3rd trade. You already won 2 of them. That's it, bro. That's it. Pack it in. You're done for the day, right? That's it. hit the showers. So sometimes you just have to be aware and write these things down to remind yourself. And there's nothing wrong with that.
Hell no.
Nothing wrong with it. No such thing as winning too much, baby. Can we adjust the buys above this support? Is this resistance, I think you're saying? You can. You can. But we have a new 4-hour closure. So I would expect a little bit of a pullback and then an opportunity to move up here. So I want to see what we've been waiting for, which is a new support form, because our most recent support is down here. So if we can get a new support that forms above all this, and then a closure above 2038, then that's when I'm going to look to pull the trigger here on buys. I over-risk, but I'm cool with the outcome. Yeah, I mean, over-risking has its, what is over-risking? Over-risking to you might be different to me, so that's another thing. Know thyself, right? Understand what your threshold is for risk and what your relationship is with money. You and I may have completely different relationships with money, right? So that's the problem with a lot of times, is that you come on and you learn from someone and you want to do what they've done, but the problem is maybe you haven't warmed up to that level yet, right? So maybe you were brought up differently, or maybe you don't have as much experience in risk that I do, right? Or vice versa. So we want to try and do what the other person's doing, but not realizing that that's going to make us very uneasy, right? That's going to make us very nervous in these trades. It's going to make us quake if the trade goes against us. So you got to understand where your threshold is and play the game there, right? And warm up to new levels, right? New levels, you got to kind of cruise up to them. You don't want to just beeline it to wherever, the next guy is. I did that. I made that mistake many times when I was working with Don, is that he would have I don't know, I think he was like 20 lots at that time. And I was trying to push 20 lots, but I was a 2-lot guy. I wasn't a 20-lot guy yet, so it hurt me, but I learned the lesson. Is safe this prop firm top one? Absolutely. You guys know I would not. You guys know I do my due diligence. I would not, number one, partner with anyone, associate my name with anyone or anything like that if they weren't good money. So yeah, we're gonna have Matt on here tomorrow. Matt's the owner of Top One Trader, the prop firm, and he'll come in tomorrow. If you guys have any questions for Matt, we will set up some sort of questionnaire on my Instagram. But he's a great guy, man. The moment I met him, we hit it off. Clay, you guys met Clay like a week or two ago. Now you guys are going to meet Matt tomorrow, and Matt is a freaking stud. What a stud. Go listen to his pod with Austin Silver, the ASFX podcast. You can get a little idea of Matt and his story. He's just a dog, man. Like I said yesterday, I love rooting for the underdog. Yeah.
Both have incredible stories, man.
Yeah, both of them got beat up by life and weren't in the best situations, but they didn't let that define them, right? They kept doing what they knew worked, and it worked out for them. Yeah, Matt's interview was fire.
Hell yeah, bro. I think he the one with Clay's dropping next week, I believe.
Yep. Who isn't beat up by life though? Exactly, but who goes ahead and beats the crap out of life is the question, right? Who life is tough, but who is tougher? And those are the only guys you hear about. You don't hear about the other guys, right? GJ back down, retesting the zone here. Nas just back up in these highs here. Yeah, we haven't broke the high yet on the daily, so weekly is attempting to break up here too. These are your all-time highs here, so nothing we could really do on buys, or nothing I can do. Maybe you guys could do something, but not me.
Not me.
Sam Capital, how you doing?
Hey man, good morning, Sam.
Choppy, choppy. Oh,
Stay out of the chop. We want when we trade, we want to trade with clean range. Clean range.
take into consideration the famous words of Uncle Scalp. Don't trade the chop.
Yeah.
You see this right
Facts.
here? You see this right here? This is what we call chap. Don't trade the chap. Yo.
Yeah.
Did anyone save that video? Is
I
that
love
video
that.
saved anywhere, man? Damn. Classic.
Man was speaking facts.
Oh. Price has to get through the
Yes,
chop
sir.
somehow, though. So you've seen a nice clean move up here. The chopper. His breakdown of the range video, yeah. Yeah. What you want to do is wait. See, this is a range. What you want to do? You want to wait for it to stop range. You want to run to the chopper.
Yeah.
What's
Grateful,
the
grateful.
IG?
Count your blessings today, y'all.
Yeah, we all talked about gratitude this morning, which was very
Alright,
pleasant. The IG is this. This is the IG right here. There you go. There you go. Hey, follow me on Threads. You guys like, nah, Twitter.
Bro,
Uncle's the
Twitter's
man.
got some wild stuff.
Yeah, Unc is the man.
Hell yeah.
Haven't talked to him in a little bit. I'll have to hit him up. Yeah, that's my IG.
Gorgeous.
Right here. Gorgeous. All right, let's see how we react here now to 38. If we can, if we could do something like this where we close with like no top wick here, or very little top wick, and then get that new support that we're looking for. Right, like this. Get a bearish candle to close in the chop, and then a new bullish one, and then that's gonna be my buy right there. This candle here that I'm drawing is my confirmation candle, and then this next one will be my trading candle. So can't take a trade until you got a confirmation. So we're gonna need this guy, this support here to confirm, and then we need this candle closing above. That's our confirmation candle. This is our trading candle, and then we've got a clean target right here, and then nice clean move coming up, and then we run into John.
Just wait on it.
John's up there in clean traffic territory.
Targeting me today, boys. Let's go.
Targeting John.
Hey, yo, what up, Sandman? My man. What's good, brother?
Holy.
Patience, patience.
What's my take on Nas today? Nas is up here in these all-time highs, so it's getting pretty tough here, right? If you guys look at the weekly, we're back in this high area here. So in terms of buys, it's very hard. This is the previous daily high, so really wanted to see this candle kind of move bearish today, but It's not showing any signs of slowing down here. So we'll see what happens as we come into this zone up here, which is going to be your all-time high resistance level. So don't want to take a buy though right there. Yeah, very tough here on Nas. About no bottom wick here on the 4 hour too. Gold been moving choppy, yeah. Gold chopping around here. Yeah, the buy off of this support for me wasn't really worth it. You had like a 10 pip, 12 pip maybe resistance. So we did come up to the top of the range, which is pretty good, but nothing A plus there.
This would have been like over 50 pips or something, right?
Yeah.
Believe.
That too. Mr. Kraft. Mr. Kraft is here? Where's he at? I like Mr. Kraft.
Oh, Mr. Kraft. Sounds like a teacher.
Brill, what up, Brill? What up, Micah Media? Micah Media? Micah? We got Micahs, we got Micahs. It's a woozy, it's a wazzy.
We got every team.
Gold dancing. It's like he got a gun. Dance, dance. Dance around, Gold. Why don't we trade a trending market like SPX? Because I've never studied SPX, so I've only gathered data here on gold. I've got about 6 months of data here on Nas100, but there's nothing to do here. No buys for me. But yeah, I never studied that pair, so that's why I don't trade it. Yeah, you'll never see me go to like, nothing here, nothing here, nothing here, and then just open up this thing and be like, ooh, setup. You'll never see me do that. In order for me to trade a pair, I've got to study it for a couple months. Yeah, but I know other guys, other guys have a big watch list, which is cool. For me, it scrambles me a little bit. I can't focus on that many pairs. Even 3 pairs for me is quite a lot. Like, you may see GJ go at some point soon, and we just stick with gold and Nas.
Yeah. We like to do a little sample size, and we like to collect our data. We like to know what's up.
It's like, he been saying he gonna ditch GJ. You just keep running right on back. He know he ain't gonna leave her.
GJ. Ooh, Addy, you caught that. Nice. I love it. I love it.
Oh, there you go. Beautiful.
That's how you catch it.
Wisdom is often caught, not taught. It's often
sir.
caught. FGJ. FGJLOL. Wow. Look at that, chat. We're so abbreviated at this point. That's a sentence right there. Made out of letters. What? FGJLOL. That makes total sense.
Wow, it does.
Holy.
I love GJ though. It's hard to let it go, man.
We don't even need words anymore. Straight letters. Let's go, Master Chief. Damn. Mind blowing. Man, I thought we were on to something when we used to hit him with the G2G back in the day in like 2000. Well, back in the day. Some of you guys are like, that boy talking about back in the day. He ain't growing up in the 60s. Yeah, man. Damn, we've come a long way from G2G and BRB, eh? Come a long way.
Facts, bro. Facts.
Man, these guys John's age now, they'd be like LMNHIFOXLOR. Ha, LOL. I'm like, I don't know what y'all talking about, man.
It's crazy, dude.
TTY, remember that? Hey, even us, TTE.
Dude, for real. Ever since text, bro. That's the new slang.
Yeah, man.
You know what? I'm just not. I don't feel like saying the word. I'm gonna say 2 letters.
Gentlemen, if you're gonna text me back something laughing and say, please say ha ha, not hee hee. Stop playing with me. Don't hit me back with no hee hee. 1% Trade Club, what's good, my brother? Baby, the baby is doing awesome. Everyone's doing great, man. Thanks for asking. Hope you're doing well, my friend. We'll have to get a link up pretty soon.
It's good, TK.
Don't hit me with no hee hee. Don't hit me with the hee hee, chat.
Yo, for real, bro. I can't call you brother after that.
I be messing with the boys. I be hitting them back with the K. K.
Nah, you do, bro. You do.
I know.
Not gonna lie.
I know I do. K. Oh, man. What a time to be alive, eh?
Yeah, bro. It's the best time to be alive. Come on.
Mwahahaha.
Yeah, for real, Benjamin.
You get your lady to hit you back
Text
with a K? You better call her ASAP.
You know they tight.
You better stop texting right there, sir. Time to make that phone call. What's wrong, honey? Nothing. Oh my God. Are you sure? Man, nothing means something. All right.
Yeah.
K's the most
Before
lazy
you
thing you can
finish.
write. Yeah, K's when I just be like, I don't care. K.
For real.
Sounds good. Remind me later. Cool.
Yeah, I don't care.
Sam Susie. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Green knows when I'm uninterested in texting back, right, Green?
Greenery.
He'd be like, yo, that's your default answer to I don't care. Yeah.
Thanks, bro.
GJ, we're gonna see what happens here. We're trying to retest this zone, right? Last time we kind of retested this area and then pop back up from here. So if we want to take buys on pound yen, then we've got to wait for a new support above this range here.
Trading's that simple. Wow.
Yeah. Yeah, GJ has already done some damage here on the daily too. See how we were talking about this earlier, but a couple candles here, right? Unable to really drive down. 1, 2, and then you got 3, 4, and now this 5th candle trying to get down, but wasn't able to do it, right? And then we went ahead and broke this previous candle high right there. So if we're breaking that high, and then let's say we do create a new support right here on that 30-minute time frame, then there's a high chance we'll retest that resistance up there on the daily. So don't want to jump too quick on the sells here. We're very bullish. Bring out the whole arrow. Who would say that? I think that was hero of the day, right? Hero of the day. Bring it out.
My hero.
Green, love you, bro. Love you. GJ does a little trolling? Yeah.
We like to troll. We do a little trolling. It's called we do a little trolling.
It likes to troll.
He kind of sounds like he's like out of breath in that. You do a little trolling. We like to troll. Oh, let's go, Dino. Yeah, do it. Do it, do it, do it, do it.
Praise Jesus. Let's go. What's up, Dino?
Do it, man.
Jesus is king.
Do we plan on adding the playbook to the pack runner? Yes. Yes. The Don is in the house. Holy. He made it. He's late, but he made it. Hey, we're never late. We're always on time. Always on time. Trump's going to be doing a lot of trolling this election. He is. That he is. Onion on GJ, but it's no, it's no more onion. It's the money play.
Money play.
The money play, baby.
Hell yeah, that's only right. Come on. It's only right.
You guys want to switch the onion to the money play instead of the onion play, the money play?
Hell yeah. It's already switched, bro.
Yeah, what am I asking you guys for? I'm doing great. The Don, how you doing, man? I'm doing freaking fantastic.
Yeah. Don't
messing with me or messing with my money. Yo, yesterday we got hit with the tat tat. Nobody moves. Nobody gets hurt. Gold hit us with it. We got clipped.
Yo, for real, bro.
Yo, Sam. Nobody move. Nobody gets clipped. Oh, damn. See, you guys don't know what I'm talking about. We gotta bring him up. Bring the guy up.
Yeah, you need the sound for the chat for sure. Yeah, when Gold stopped me out that second time, I just put my hands up. Like, yo.
I take it. Just take it. Just take it.
It's all right.
It's yours.
All right. Damn.
You want my account here? Here you go.
Damn.
Oh man, I didn't even try and dodge and weave, man. It was tat tat. What's his name again? Little Mo Mozzarella.
Little Mo Mozzarella.
Right? Nobody moves. Nobody gets hurt. This is what Gold hit us with this yesterday, bro.
Raising King. It's raining chicken fingers in Brooklyn. Grand open. How you doing? Do the right thing. Over here in the Fulton Mall.
Do the right thing. Nobody moves. Nobody gets hurt.
Hello, brothers.
Nah, the one
here.
did,
Nobody moves.
With the acct.
Nobody gets clipped.
How you doing? That was hilarious.
Nobody moves. Nobody gets clipped. How you doing? Yo, this guy's a trip, man.
Do me a favor. Don't talk to me, Dad. My morning coffee.
Familiar, bro.
Fuck you.
Don't talk to me till my morning coffee. Gold said, yo.
Hello, brothers. Hempstead Avenue. Nobody moves. Nobody gets clipped. How you doing? Who you supposed to?
Who you supposed to be? How you doing?
What do you think, Mo? Sharp? Yeah, as always. But listen to this, Mo.
Nah, where's that other one, man? Joe, where's the one? Oh, man. It might be down more. This one, man. Yo, my 15 minutes of fame ain't over yet.
Yo, Mo, what you want me to do, retire? My 15 minutes of fame ain't over yet. I'm still riding the wave. But let me ask you guys a question. You guys don't want to run around and say how you doing this and how you doing that. You want to step on my feet? I step on your fucking neck.
Oh, sorry, guys.
I didn't invent it, Mo. But I still got the best how you doing in the game. Ready? 1, 2, 3. How you doing?
This guy's stupid, man. Yo, we still riding the wave, Mo. Mo's in the chat. Mo's in the chat. Yo, is he from Australia or British? Dude, he's from New York.
Bro. Bro, have you ever been to New York? Wow.
That's what everyone in New York sounds like. How you doing? Yo, we got to get him on the stream, man.
Yo,
we got to hit him up. Tell him get on the stream.
Shoot him a DM, bro. Shoot him a DM or something.
Yeah, he might be too big for us now, man. Don't nobody talk to me till I have my morning coffee.
Hit up his team or something. We need that, man. Need him.
Yo, Mo.
Someone said, is he Australian or British? Yo,
that's too funny.
Sam, that's hilarious, bro.
Telling you, man, gold hit us with a little Mo mozzarella yesterday. Nobody moves, nobody gets hurt. We're clipping everyone out here.
Yeah.
He's from Aussie, mate. Yo, the 15 minutes of fame ain't over yet. Oh man, that guy's hilarious.
That's how I approach gold every time I come to the charts in the morning. With the how you doing? Have to.
Sorry about the F-bomb, gang. If you guys got your kids. How you doing? All you gotta do, you have your kids sitting there. Oh, how you doing? How you doing? Nas running. GJ trying to make a decision here at support. Goldie rejection. Huh. Rejection. So this is good. You got 9:30 coming up, right? So we're probably not going to be able to participate in the 9:30 candle, but potentially 9:15 or 9:45, 10:15ish. If not, we call it a no trade day.
Yeah.
We might
Nick,
do a
I think this is
50K
a great
giveaway. I don't know.
Nick, I think this is a great example for chat to see why we don't want to trade in the choppiness.
There you go. Stay out of the
Just
chopper.
look at that. Look at that, man. Just look at it.
You look at that.
Yeah, well.
Would you look at that?
Yeah, there's a few more blemishes on the car.
Oh my gosh, just look at
The
it.
car is not perfect.
look at it.
Just look at it.
Just look at it.
Just look at it.
Yeah, well.
What the
We see
heck
this
is
over
that?
and over and over.
Oh, look at this. You got me running all around the...
Yo, this dude's laughing stupid. Just look at it, gang. Just look at it. Just look at it. Chat, just look at it. Chat, look at it.
See?
Just look at it.
See, trading in the choppy range could really be 50-50 at the end of the day. We don't like to take those, right? We like 80-20. Of course it could go up, but it could also do that.
80-20, how you doing?
Yeah.
Do we have your broke? Yeah, I think we do. Yeah.
You're broke!
You're broke. You're broke.
It was chilly, bro, this morning.
I know it was.
We were in like the 40s down here.
Nice.
40s in
good.
Florida.
It was really good breath work type of air this morning, man. Nice, cool, and crispy. Nice and cool and crispy.
My drug of choice, bro. The breath, the air.
Yo, who's coming to the boot camp? We're doing four 50K challenge giveaways at the boot camp. That's gonna be sick. Yeah, I like the boot camp too because it's more of like a family affair, like a fireside chat type of vibe with the fam, right? So it's smaller, a lot smaller setting, which is really good. I love to teach, man. Teaching is one of my favorite things to do. But yeah, we're gonna give away 4 $50,000 challenge accounts thanks to these guys over here at Top One, man. They've really granted all my requests. Yeah, they've been great. They've been great. Yeah, last boot camp was so lit. Can't wait for yeah, me and Rafi had a game plan session this past weekend. I think Rafi's in the chat. I don't know. I think he was here earlier. But me and Rafi had a lot to discuss about, and we talked for about an hour or so about the boot camp, about there's Rafi, about some future plans that we have for TTE, and we got a lot of good stuff cooking, don't we, Rafi? Yeah, man.
They cooking, let them cook.
Can we play the Quaker sound? Yeah, Rafi, let's go. Everyone's ready for Rafi. Sam's gonna deliver the heat. Sam's working on a new playbook, like not a new one, but making the playbook, the fundamental playbook, even better. So we're doing some cooking here. Last boot camp was phenomenal. Glad you enjoyed it, Juan. Don't meet me there, beat me there. There they go.
Yes, sir, Sam.
Doing push-ups to get ready. Okay, Susanna. Okay, I see you. How you doing? What do you want to do, Mo? What do you want to do?
Yeah.
That's what's up. All right, yes, perfect. So look, gold close here with no bottom wick. So again, our plan still remains the same, right? So we have no bottom wick on this candle. That means there's very low probability that the next candles will continue to drive. They still can, but if we get a deep exhaustion wick, then that's what we want to see here. New support form, closure above, and then we take our buys and have a good old day. But
good day.
That's pretty much it. Where's Sam? Sam's always around. Sam's here. There he is. Sam Capital. No, I learned a lot from Sam about. I learned a lot from both Sam and Rafi, man, on the boot camp. So even though I was participating in the teaching, once I was done with my part, I was a student, right? I took my teacher hat off, put my student hat on, and paid really close attention.
Gotcha, bro. The purpose of life is growth. Yeah. Understand that.
Yeah, Sam's dealing with these damn phone people. With these idiots. I registered, but I can't make it. I'll be in and out the session. Need all the we'll have all the recordings. So all the recordings will be sent to you guys that evening. So the boot camp will run from NY Open, so basically 8 a.m. Eastern till like 11:30 ish. We wanna give Rafi a little bit more time on this boot camp because I feel like he could have went a little bit longer, and the last thing I want is Rafi to rush his topics, right? Like I'll rush through mine a little bit. Well, not really. We have more than enough time, but I really want you guys to get the full effect of the deep work that we're gonna do towards the tail end of each session. So yeah, it's gonna be great. Yeah, if you guys have registered or if you're thinking about registering but you can't physically be on the Zoom session, don't worry about it. Everyone's gonna get the recording of the actual entire boot camp, so you guys will have that and be able to rewatch it and all that good stuff. I always like to see you incorporate green and red numbers. Yeah, you see me, Sam. Yeah, in the breakdown, beginning of the stream. Yeah. I learned that from you, bro. He's a student. I'm just wait, what was my name again? Mr. Big Pip. When Sam's talking, I become Mr. Big Pip. Some of you guys don't know about that. What's the difference between step 1 and step 2 on top one? The main difference is the leverage. I would say the leverage. Oh, Rapid Max. Look forward to seeing you there, bro. I'm so happy Anna asked about comfort. These smaller glasses are way more comfortable. Yo, my wife seen TK's video. She was like, yo, is TK okay? Those look like they're strangling his brain. I'm like, no, don't trust me. His brain's working really good. I just got off a call with him. He fixed about 9 things that I had no idea even needed fixing. So yeah, his brain is still working actually.
It's funny. Nah, bro, I don't know how you do it, CK, with those VR. I'd be dizzy with that when I wear that.
Nice fake out coming on Nas. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, there we go. So now we're in these all-time highs. So weekly, oh wow, weekly did break the high there just recently. Daily pushing up. We're rejecting pretty heavy here now in the 4 hour. 4 hour still has no bottom wick. 1 hour is beginning to reject as well. 30-minute coming down pretty clean. 15 probably, yeah, nice. Well, so we popped up, broke the high, and rejected right away. Coming down, 10.
Yeah, TK. One time I did it. I was wearing the VR on like a roller coaster game, and it was crazy, bro. It was crazy.
How do we register for the bootcamp? Just hit yeah, there you go. Nightbot will spit the link out. Yeah, you can come over to our website, the TT website. We're still doing some work on it, but you can come over here and grab your bootcamp seat right here. Yep, that's the information, the times, the dates, all that good stuff. I would say if you guys are coming, make a little bit more time, right? Block yourself out for like an extra half hour or so, just in case we run a little late. I think we ran a little bit late one day, maybe 2 days out of the 3 last boot camp. So just kind of block a little bit more time out for yourself. Because when we get going, man, we get going. When we get cooking, we get cooking. Yeah, so nothing here. This drove right back in the Ranger. Do I trade on a funded account? Yes. Yep. Yeah, spreads are good. I've only traded with TFT and now Top One. Both of them are pretty good spreads on gold and GJ. Don't really know about any other pairs, but they're pretty good. Right around 1 to 2 pips. Nazir, what we gonna do?
Yeah.
Yeah, I really do want to see Nas come down here on the daily. But don't matter what I want, right? Just whatever the market's gonna do, it's gonna do. So you have NYSC. That's why you see a pretty strong push here on gold, right down to that resistance there. So that's what the volume's coming in from here now. What are you on Insta? I think the Insta's right there in my, yeah, Nightbot just poofed it out. Thanks for your answer. Oh yeah, my pleasure, man. Generally, how much do you risk? 1 to 0.5? Yeah, really 1 to 2%. I think most of my trades moving forward are going to be 1.5%. 1.5% risk, not 2%, but also a little bit bigger than 1%. I think 1.5 is a solid, solid
right
area. Yeah, right in the middle. 1.5 to 2% is typically what I'll risk. And I also trade percentage based, so I'm not trading with fixed lots anymore. So, prior, when we first began the stream, I would trade fixed lots, right? 10 lots on my 100K account, and kind of move towards percentage based now. So regardless of whether or not the stops are 20 pips, 30 pips, 40 pips, it's still only going to risk, the same amount there. GJ sell, I don't like it because this is where I really want to see a support on the 1 hour here. Yeah, hoping we can kind of move up like this for London close today. Did I say Nightbot? Pooped it out. What risk do I recommend? I recommend, I don't recommend anything, to be honest. I don't recommend risk because, like we were talking about earlier, everyone's appetite for risk is a little different, right? You may have millions of dollars hanging out in your bank and you can blow accounts. So you can risk 3% or 4%, whereas someone else who may not have that much and they're really, they can't get another challenge, right? They want to make sure they could do it there. Maybe that person's only comfortable with risking the 0.5% risk. So know thyself, ladies and gentlemen, right? Understand what makes you quake a little, like what gets you a little nervous in a trade. What's a little bit too much, and then be honest with yourself and lower it a bit. Or maybe you think, yeah, you know what, I can, these are easy trades. I can risk a little bit more, and so know thyself is what I would say. and just kind of stay in your. I never encourage you to stay in your comfort zone, but stay in your comfort zone, right, until you begin to build a bigger relationship with money and also with risk itself. Me, I've always been a bit of a risky guy. Just it's my personality. So my relationship with risk may be different than yours. You know, I've been a high risk taker since I'm, you know, in my teenage years. So yeah, so we're all a little bit different, but anywhere from like 1 to 2%, or 0 to 2%, I should say. And you got to be true to yourself, right? If I trade 2% risk, you don't want to do that just because I do that, you know, because that may not be comfortable for you. And the last thing you want to be is uncomfortable in your trade, right? You want to set your trade and be comfortable within it.
Yeah, that's a good answer.
Yeah, so we have a question for gold here, and the question is, now that you have closed with no bottom wick, like we discussed earlier, can you now close above the range and leave a wick for us, right? So if we've got the support we've been looking for, now we need a closure, right? So that question is being asked currently right now, and gold will give us the answer to that question in 19 minutes. 19 minutes. But step 1 is almost halfway done here. Right, we drew it up. I think we talked about this. What time? 8:32. We talked about this. Let's go back to 8:32. Little Mo Mozzarella. Let's get him off the stream. Right here. 8:32. Right there. So we talked about it. Now let's see if we get it. All right, we want a resistance support to form, closure above, and then we take our buys. So that's the plan since this morning, and that's what we will stick to. Yeah, that's true. Arnie, yep. It's got to be an amount that you're cool with losing. Like if I'm driving to the gym later, I don't want to be upset with how much I lost, right? I want to make that ride, even if I lose a trade, I don't want to be mad at myself for it. Damn, I over-risked, or damn, I broke my plan, or I said I wasn't going to do that, but I did. And, you know, I don't want to have those conversations, and I don't have those conversations with myself anymore because I'm extremely self-regulated, right? We're going to try and move from the discipline word and move towards self-regulated.
Yeah, that's hella important.
GJ Blader, wow, beautiful. Nice. So support didn't hold there, no bueno. And price is moving on down.
Oh.
As you guys, some of you guys weren't here in the morning, but you know, I'll continue to mark GJ up, but I'm probably not going to trade it too much anymore. It's got to be like money, money, money. All right, this is good. We're breaking up. We have to see if we can pull back a little bit, right, for us to leave a wick fill, and then we'll take buys. Joseph.
Nice push.
Move gone. Move. It's only 28 pips. Gold moves. Gold can move a lot. Gold can move much more than 28 pips. Money is energy. Yeah, Nas, wow. Nice rejection. Coming into that 15-minute support there.
Nas here.
NASDAQ. All right, yeah, we'll see if we can pull back, and then that'll probably be my shot of the day here. So give me 1 sec. I'll be right back.
Let's look at the chat. What's a good, how much is good starting capital for a personal account? Ooh, I'd probably say around like 1,000 to 2,000. More would be better, of course, but 1,000 to 2,000 is good. You know, depending on how you are as a trader, I would do 1 to 2% risk on that. And if you can build yourself into being a professional trader, then there's no reason not to. If you get really professional with following the edge, then you can risk like 5 to 10% of like your $2,000 personal account. That's what I would personally do. Or like 5 racks. If you got 5 racks, risk like 5%, 10%, but only if you have developed the skills of a professional trader. Oh damn, that was far up. Did I quit using blue light glasses? No, I still got them over here. I don't know why, I just never really wear them. Yeah. Ooh, Hunter, nice, bro. Another W day? For sure, man. The W is in following our edge. That is the W. That's all we got to do.
1300 here today. Can we get to 500 likes? If we can get to 1,000 likes, we'll do the giveaway today. If not, we're going to settle for tomorrow. Yeah.
Like it up if you want to take a W today. Trade or no trade. But you still want to take a W.
Let me give 1 like to the stream too to push it closer for y'all.
Yeah. Ooh, thank you, Sam. Appreciate that, brother. Brethren. Yeah, I think I'm gonna bounce though. Go hit the gym or something.
Bounce.
How long you staying on stream till, Nick?
Yeah.
Like
by the way, I was looking 30? At that. Like three of our 5 trades we lost were 2 were Nas, which is a completely new pair for us, and 2 of them were and the other one was on GJ, so which a pair that we're kind of moving away from. So our main pair we're still absolute money on with gold, yeah. But you know most of the losses came from Nas and GJ.
Yeah, not for real. Those were literally my first couple trades on Nas too, so it makes sense.
Yeah. Yeah, wow, juice in here. Juice. So yeah, we were hoping for 945, but 15 just running here with no bottom wick.
He left me unopened. Facts.
Who?
Oh. You.
Nah.
I said how long you staying on stream?
Oh, how long am I staying?
Dessert?
I don't know. Probably in the next 15 minutes I'll dip off if we don't have 1,000 likes. If we do, I'll probably do the giveaway, but if not, we'll save it for tomorrow when Matt comes on the stream.
That's facts.
Yeah, gold juice in here.
Gold juice. So. Hurry up. Yeah, but I think I'm gonna head out here, get my day started, hit the gym, and chill out.
Do it, my man.
What you got going on? Chilling?
Yes. Yeah, I'll probably do similar things as the day moves on.
Lovely, bro. Well then, I'll give you a call a bit later, right?
All right, champ. I'll talk to you later.
All right, brother. Peace, dog.
Love you, big dog. Later.
Love you too, brother. You're the man.
You the man. Peace.
Bro. Peace, bro. Peace, chat. Peace. Everyone in Zoom, peace. Stay blessed. Count your blessings. Have a great day. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Peace.
How you doing?
You doing? Peace, Sam.
Later. Oh, TK. Yo, TK's back. Oh, TK's at the beach now. Okay, TK. All right. All right. Oh, damn. You see, look, this is your typical IG guru, man. Getting gains on the beach. Show him the beach again, TK. Come on, gang. You want to make money and live this awesome life? Tap into our secret super duper Telegram channel where we give you the secret sauce. The secret sauce. Yo. I just press buttons on the beach and I make money. Too easy. Yo, would you fly out to Bali without me, bro? Damn. That ain't right. Let me dive into the virtual world. It's like Ready Player One these days. The funny part is you guys pay those dudes, but you won't come here on a free live stream. But you go ahead and pay this dude. Gang, you ever tried looking at your phone on the beach? I can't even see what's on my screen. Never mind. Oh, what's this? Never mind making financial decisions by pressing buttons when I can't see anything. Holy. You'll go pay them hundreds of dollars, thousands of dollars, but then you'll come on the free live stream and say, sucks at trading. Oh, man. All right, TK, you're making me dizzy, bro. Hey, who's that handsome guy? Switch to the vertical one. Let's go. Would I enter Nas if it breaks the highs? No, and the only reason being, not that it's a bad trade, is just that there's no data for me to, there's nowhere for me to target over here to the left. So I don't want to go into a trade blindly. So nah, I would just let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Stay on for the 1 minute. Oh, LeGrand in the building. LeGrand, you're not at the gym yet? Hey, when are you guys coming to Tampa? When are you guys coming to hang out with me in Tampa? We're gonna plan a traders meetup for those who are able to pull up. When are you guys gonna come hang out with me, man? I'm waiting for you guys. I'm hanging out all alone all day. Need some of my TTE friends. Oh, let's go, George. Let's go on a boat in Tampa. Let's do it. We can go on a boat. We can get some jet skis. We can have some nice lunch. Hang out, tell stories, fellowship, have a great time. We could have a grand old time together. Let's go, Sammy. Sammy boy. Yeah, last time I got together with a few guys down here, we did some jet skiing. We had some fun. Sandman coming. Florida? Yes. Tampa, Florida. Yeah, jet ski sounds fun. Yeah. Yo, Brax, I went back and watched your videos too. Fire, bro. Stuntman, stuntman. We got a low temperature day here today. It's going to be 56, or it's 56 right now. So not too warm for jet skis today. Moving into Georgia. Oh, nice. So you're getting closer. You're getting closer. Let's go. Let's go. What up, Perez? Let's get Perez. My man. Wow, GJ really sold off here. Nas, yeah. Nas trying to leave a wick fill, but it's driving here. Yeah, I think I'm gonna head off here unless we have 1,000 likes. I gotta check here, but yeah, I'm gonna let this price action settle down here today. Let me check the likes. If we have 1,000 likes, we'll do the 50K challenge account giveaway. If not, we will save it for tomorrow. Let me see. We have, let me reset. 597 likes, so it doesn't look like 1,000 to me. So we will head off and we will settle this tomorrow. Tomorrow we're definitely going to do the giveaway, so be here tomorrow. We're probably going to do it around like 9 a.m. ish, somewhere around 9 o'clock, 9:15, 9:30, 9:45, 10 a.m., 10:15, 10:30, somewhere around that time, you know. So don't miss it. Don't miss it. Be here. Be here tomorrow. Chat, you had one job. Chat, you had one job here today, man. One job. But yeah, we'll definitely do it tomorrow. It's gonna be after the 4-hour close. So those of you guys that want to sleep in, go ahead, sleep in, and we'll yeah, we'll do it then. So I'm out of here, gang. Love you guys. Hope you guys have a great day. No trade day here for us. Good kind of day to just kind of settle back in and take a little chill pill. So we'll be back tomorrow. We'll see you guys on the live stream. Don't miss the giveaway. We may have 2 50K giveaways. I'm not sure. Maybe 1, maybe 2. But no doubt tomorrow. So love y'all. Hope you guys have a great day. Be great today. And let's get back to it tomorrow. All right. Don't let off the gas though, gang. Trading's only one part of your life. Let's continue to get better in all areas. So enjoy the day. I hope you guys have a great one. Love y'all. Glory to the Father. I'm out of here. Deuces. Later. Hold on. Wait for the beat to drop. Here it comes. Here it comes. Love y'all. Peace.
Say it's holy, can't get this off my lips. You love me with devotion, you don't kid me when I trip. Yeah, I need a sip from the river, just wanna get what you give it. Give me unlimited vision and see through the counterfeit. I want the realest. Where he come from, you can't get that with a PJ. It's so full inside this house, I feel like DJ. I can't fight it, let your light come shine on me. Yeah, ain't no hiding, I'm confiding in your peace. Yeah, hey, carrying buckets of shame. Father, I'm saying your name, but so far from it. Come see the blood in my veins. For me, he bleeding the same. Take this covenant, this is the greatest exchange. At his altar, there's a flame that burns your rubbish. Gave me a cup full of rain, he poured it over every stain until he coming. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame. I just turned a milli down to be home with my son. Y'all don't get it, I can't gain a thing if I've already won. Still don't get it, I was full back when my bank account was done. Cause my God the one. This is life or death. I ain't making music just for fun. Glory to your name, Father. I pray that your kingdom come. And when Satan's on my heels, I pray it's Nike with the run. Make my heart beat more like Hezekiah. Say it and it's done. Breakthrough. Lord Jesus, I need breakthrough. I've been doing things that made the Father have to break you. Living in my shame like the potter didn't shape you. But I know even in the storm, the water didn't wake you. The water didn't wake you. And that cross couldn't break you. Yeah, the darkness couldn't take you. Oh, yeah. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame.